I'm not mentioning. I don't know 55 we will choose.
55 will take. First we will take thereafter and take.
After mention, my lord.
Yes.
Item 62.
Give the memos if you want to give. All the memos we will keep. What we can.
Lordship, item number 48 is in purchase, sir.
40.
48.
48 in purchase.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 62. I play 2 weeks after.
After notice matter, first matter.
After notice.
Wait. The other side has to be there. I adjourn, then they'll complain.
I will inform.
I'll note it down.
Oh,
You may not be there.
Yes.
When the matter takes, we'll take it.
I will inform.
62, huh? Keep it there. 60. Yes.
55.
55. Yes.
This case, my lord, the petitioner,
Yes.
Suman Siddharth Nayak, and the opposite party, my lord, Saumya Priyadarshini. They were married, my lord, on 7/3/2021. Thereafter, subsequently, due to difference, my lord,
Yes.
it was not possible to stay together, for which my lord case was initiated. Initially, affair was lost, and counter affair. After all these things, my lord, thereafter a case, my lord, it was settled between them, and ultimately, my lord, both
Yes.
of them filed a petition under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act.
Where is that, sir?
In the, I'm
That is Annex 3. It's
passing on the copy, my lord.
show me whether in that divorce petition, whether they have mentioned it regarding.
Yes, ma'am. Your lordship, kindly
Yes.
see. I'm giving the certificate. Your lordship, kindly see paragraph.
Para.
Would mention that only. So portable, so portable. So portable complement. 7.
They have parted away. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But where is that narration of fact that they won't be pursuing further? The court is the other fact.
My lord, they have filed an evidence affidavit in that court. I'm also giving the certified copy, my lord.
Where is that
Yes, ma'am.
affidavit?
Your lordship, kindly see. Copy.
By the way, the parties are here.
Party.
Can I keep it tomorrow? Let the parties come. Okay, I'll pass it.
Yes. Virtual ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା virtual ରହିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲି virtual.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
Yes. Anshuman Naik is there. He's accused.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the complainant? Where is the complainant?
My lords may have it. My lords may have it in turn. Then, in that case, by turn, in that case.
Let it be at 2 o'clock then.
But the lawyer, whether the lawyer of the opposite party is present or not. No, section order.
I'll take it up at exact 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Yes.
See, he would be there, and I believe the complainant would also be there.
Yes.
Please, my lord.
Exactly 2 o'clock.
Please, my lord.
Pass over at 2 o'clock.
Obliged.
Mr. Naik, you try to be there online at 2 o'clock. Okay.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord. Okay.
And if possible, convey it to your ex-wife.
Please, my lord.
Okay.
Please, my lord.
In view of the relationship, it may not be possible to communicate.
No, after separation also they can keep. They can be a good friends. Why not?
Item 1.
Your Lordship, may I be pardoned to make a mention? I'm virtually
No
present.
mentioning. It's item 1 called. Yes. Next.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am filing the keys, my lord. The praying for quashing the FIR itself.
Passing the.
FIR, my lord, Center Criminal Proceeding.
Yes.
Because the phase 13 is the FIR.
What is the stage for the investigation?
Because the
Charge sheet has
investigation
been
is.
filed?
Yeah, charge sheet has been filed, my lords.
Yes.
But the charge sheet has been filed, my lords. That's it, my lord. And there is no progress, my lord.
No progress.
No, my lords, the trial has not been commenced.
February
I'm sorry.
2023 charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet, yes.
Now cognizance has been taken.
Cognizance has been taken. That instruction I have not got it, my lord. The only yesterday
Must
I
have
have got
taken
it, my lord. I have yesterday.
The
got
moment
charge
charge
sheet
sheet
copy.
file, my lord, by the time
Yes,
you will
cognizance,
practical, my lord.
yes.
What is this? Charge? What about charge?
Charge has not been framed, my lord. There is once cognizance, my lord, the offense.
You argue all this point at the stage of framing of charges. Why you have to come?
Lordship, may kindly for a moment, my lord.
Yes.
2 FIR has been lost, my lord. The one incident. that my lord, page 13, first my lord, the 1160 of 2023.
Yes.
First, Lordship, page 13, offense under section 294, 323, 506, 427, 34 IPC. Then, my lord, the same self FIR has been again lost by the person, my lord, the another person that, my lord, the same, similar, same incident, page number.
Against you.
Yes, my lord, against me. My lord, the tenant was lodged an FIR, and my lord, the who was person victim lodged an FIR, my lord. The two FIR, my lord, same incident. Lordship, may kindly for a moment, my lord. Page
What are the allegations in both?
allegation.
Let's see.
Yes, my lord. Allegation is same, my lord. The page 14, page 15, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly page 15, my lord. May I permit it to place, my
Yeah,
lord?
yeah. 15.
Yes, my lord. Page 15, running page 15, my lord. Let's you got it, my lord?
Yes, yes, I am.
My lord. That my lord, Nivedan Karna hi kije, mu Santilata Sahu.
3/2/2023
Yes, my lord.
at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yes.
Yes, ମୋର ଅନ୍ୟ ଦୁଇ ଘର ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର 3999 ଓ ପ୍ଲଟ
Also with the
ନମ୍ବର
next FIR,
yes,
the
my lord.
timing and the date.
Yes, my lord. Timing, the FIR, Lordship, may kindly, FIR was lodged on
Come to page
23.20.
20.
Yes, yes, my lord. The only,
Yes, I got it.
yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Raghunath.
Madam,
Same time, same incident.
He has not, madam,
Two FIR.
not given in the madam, copy of the charge sheet, my lord. That about another things, my lord. The second FIR, my lord, annexed to is the house owner, my lord. She is the house owner. And
Same
subsequent-
time, same incident.
Exactly, my lord. Exactly, my
How
lord.
can there be a two
The
FIR?
offenses difference, my lord. The first case, my lord, 354, 323, 506,
You could have investigated in the first FIR
my lord.
and added if at all any other offenses.
That is
Not
my
keep on registering number of FIRs
Madam,
for one incident.
two different persons lodged in person. One house owner and another, my lord, my lord, tenant, my lord. In fact, my lord, I will take instruction whether both the cases
Where
charge
is
sheet
the
submitted or
charge sheet?
Yes, my lord.
In both the cases, charge sheet has already been filed.
Well, let's see. I'll file, my lord. I'll file with an affidavit.
And according to you,
ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ case ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇନଥିବ
now which FIR is correct?
Well, as the 71 is concerned, let's see.
Either of these two is correct. You tell me which one I will follow. Which one.
Lordship, I'll got it and Lordship file an
Instead of
affidavit. With an
registered in two
affidavit.
cases, my lord, he should have registered one
I'll just
case.
issue notice, file the charge sheet.
My lord,
status.
my lord.
The land counsel for the petitioner submits that by way of this present petition, the petitioner has invoked the inherent jurisdiction of this court under 482 CRPC for seeking quashing up for the criminal prosecution launched against him in PSP number so and so. Then the counsel for the petition submits that for the offense, for the incident happened on 3/2/2023 at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. The FIR number 70 of 2023 in PS so page 13, page 13, has been registered. And for the same incident and the same incident, another FIR also came to be registered as a PS case number 71 of 2023 PD. Therefore, he submits that the criminal prosecution launched against him is motivated, and he has been falsely posted this case. You have included the
My lord, both the cases he has included
yes, opposite party.
Yes, yes.
Number two, Mr. Raghunath appears for the state waives notice. And in the meantime, the counsel of the petition undertakes to file the copy of the charge sheet in both the cases. Re-notify on. Give it in the first week or second week of March.
My lord. Till date, my lord.
Date.
That's only as your lordship.
Which, why should I,
Lordship, as your lordship.
I'll issue notice on the interim
Yes,
application
my
as
lord.
well.
That- Okay. Yes. Great,
Yes.
your lordship.
Item 2.
Are you on bail?
Yes, my lord.
You might have attempted.
No, no, no.
Yeah,
My lord.
41 so
Move on.
Only no
Yes.
coercive action if your lordship permit.
That is a good argument for bail. You can get bail. Yes,
That's great for your lordship.
yes.
Item 2.
would say क्या data कैसे
Two, 1, 2.
One, my lord.
1, 2. Joint order. 1 and 2. Yes.
Item 3.
Yes.
My lord, I am the informant.
Vacation of state petition was filed, man. Nah, interim application was filed, but no copy sought to me, man.
What do you want, by the way?
So let my friend survey copy.
You are appearing for informant.
My lord.
Supply the copy, then simply I will have to adjourn it. Okay,
My lord. Fix a date. My lord.
date will be fixed, don't worry.
Interim order to continue.
There is interim order. So that is why you are so mildly saying so.
My lord, only to take the advantage of interim stay.
No, you should have supplied the copy earlier.
Yes, my lord, I will serve in the course of the.
You should have supplied so that we could have argued it. I would have buried the interim order also.
My lord.
Anyway. Yes,
Item
Interim order to continue.
that is there. That is the reason you are here. Otherwise, you have said you have been here, I know.
Oh, nice. Urgent certificate.
Interim order to continue.
Certificate. Urgent certificate.
What urgent, but you are already enjoying. Don't increase the burden of the rich. Yes.
Item 4.
Item 4.
So if I may please your lordship, my lord. My lord, the petitioner challenges the FIR and the subsequent criminal proceedings arising out of the FIR, which was on the basis of a complaint case. My lord, the case is this, that the petitioner, that the opposite party number 2, the complainant, alleges that he has taken loan and we have forced him to sign on certain papers, and thereafter.
What is the loan amount?
My lord, may kindly for a moment have page
Tell me what is
6.
the loan?
My lord, it is more than 7 crores.
7 crores?
Yes, lordship. My lord, may we just have page number 6 of my brief, my lord?
Yes. What is the stage up for the?
My lord, the charge sheet has not yet been filed, my lord.
So wait,
My lord, the reason being,
how can I quash investigation is going on?
my lord, no coercive action, but my lord, I'm
This is
covered
not
by,
a court. You
My lord,
go to some other court
my lord,
for bail.
my lord, I am covered by a judgment of the Honorable Apex Court in similar lines
But
wherein,
investigation is still on, sir. Do you know implication of no coercive action? I'm mounting, encroaching the investigation process. Why should I do that?
my lord,
Investigation is still on. So therefore, the ideal course would be you go to the other side court and get the bail. And
My
let
lord, we
the,
have already-
I'll
my
keep
lord,
it,
we are already
I'll
on
keep
bail.
it pending, or I can give you the liberty to approach this court at the appropriate stage.
My lord, we are already on bail. We have been granted bail based on,
What, then why are you worried about coercive action? Who is taking coercive action against you?
that is that right, your lordship, my lord.
Then
My lord, but I'm covered by a judgment of the Honorable Apex Court wherein in similar circumstances and quite similar circumstances, when the complainant had lodged,
before the investigation complete, I will quash it.
my lord,
That is what it says.
your lordship.
Show me. Yes, which para?
My lord, would just have the facts of the case for a moment at the paragraph number 2, my lord.
You want to say it is a pure and simple civil dispute.
My lord, I am saying that this is a banking transaction. The allegations that are there that we have diluted his FD, and my lord, we have forced him to sign on papers on the basis of which he has taken loan. And once we have instituted the SURFACE proceedings, only thereafter, my lord, when he has challenged those SURFACE proceedings, he does not state anything about these conditions, and that your lordship will see in the case itself, which has been registered on 23rd of May. And in 29th May, he files the complaint case, and in the complaint case, he turns a volte-face, and therein he makes all these allegations. Wherein in the SURFACE applications 88 of 2023 and 89 of 2023 arising out of two different transactions,
In the alleged agreement which you have forcefully got it signed.
my lord, that
there
is
any
what he says now.
Arbitration clause there?
No, my lord. My lord, SURFACE is there. SURFACE we have already
Who
instituted.
are you, by the way?
My lord, I am working in the bank, my lord. I am a bank employee of petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 are bank employees, present bank employees, and the petitioner number 3 is the ex-bank employee who is now posted with ICICI Bank. The petitioner number 1
The agreement is between the bank
and the
you are the signatory.
no, my lord. My lord, I was the branch manager. I was the Eastern Regional head, and I was the the loan person who had given loan on otherwise. So, my lord, I am the person. I am the bank official in absolutely similar.
Yes, Mr. Ragada, what is this? This is see, they have not done for their own benefit. It is for the bank they have done it. So
But
what
that
is?
true, notice to go to one of the, since arising out of a initially complaint
I'll
is filed,
simply
madam.
issue notice because
Ballot,
see,
ballot,
there
ballot,
can't be a stay.
Exactly.
I bowed down.
Because investigation is on.
I bowed
I'll
down.
simply issue notice, you serve them and give a short date, let us see. Okay. Issue notice to the opposite party number 2 returnable within 2 weeks.
As your lordship.
2 weeks. Mr. Raghuda appeals for the state in which notice. And Mr. Raghuda, the state council should seek instruction regarding the status of the case and place it on record by next date appeal. Let them come. Let
Your
them-
lordship, my lord, may I make an innocuous prayer subject to your lordship's consideration? My lord, this may not be a bar for the investigating agency to file a closure report. My lord, because we were in.
Please.
As your lordship, please.
I will direct the, virtually you are asking me to direct them to file a closure report.
As your lordship, please. Yes, my lord, I bowed down.
So innocuous order you ask for.
2024 SEC 420.
By the way, how much this gentleman owe to the bank?
My lord, it's more than 7.5 crores. Your lordship will see that at the.
Sarpachai proceeding has already been.
Yes, my lord, and that he has challenged 88 and 89 of 2023, which is presently sub judice before
Anything
the
is
TRT.
recovered.
My lord, not
So
yet.
far.
My lord, because the auction has not yet happened, and we have on in.
What is the value of the property?
My lord would see that. My lord, don't have that exact calculation, but my
But if
understanding.
the auction takes place, you could recover the money, then forget about the criminal case.
My lord, criminal case still goes on against me, my lord.
We will quash it. If
As
the
a-
money is recovered, we will quash it.
My lord, if it is not recovered,
That is what I am asking. What is the value of that property?
my lord, I'll
To
take
auction.
specific instructions on that,
Ah.
my lord.
If the money is recovered,
Your lordship.
then in that case, we can quash it. Ultimately, the end of the day, the bank has to get back the money.
Yes, my lord.
Once you get back the money, why the officers will be,
Your lordship. My lord, these person is only an arm twisting mechanics so that, my lord, we don't
I
proceed
am-
further in the auction.
Yes, I understand that. It's all right.
Your lord.
Serve the copy.
I'm grateful, your
Yes.
lordship. 2024 SEC 420.
Item 5.
I'm grateful, your lordship.
Yes. Fine.
High Court of Orissa.
Withdraw. Yes. Memo, has he filed memo? Have you filed the memo? File a memo. Acha, withdraw it simply. Your Vakalatnama is there on record?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Item 6.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lords, the petitioners have approached this honorable court for quashing of the FIR as well as the cognizance order dated 17/2/2022, passed by the learned JMFC Aska Ganjam under section 498A, 323, 294, 506, 406 and 34
Who are you?
of IPC. The petitioner number 1 is the father-in-law, 2 is the mother-in-law, 3 is the brother-in-law, and 4 is the co-sister. Husband to rahega hi andar to,
Valini,
My-
yeah, is the co-sister. Okay.
my lord, co-sister. So
Husband-
my lords, the initially.
Is not a.
No, husband is not a party because I have approached on behalf of other accused matters. So initially the FIR was lodged under section 498A, 323, 294, 354A, 506, 313 and 34 of IPC and section 4 of DP Act. So at the time of filing of charge sheet, after investigation, the investigating agency dropped the charges of 313 and 354A except the mother-in-law. Earlier it was against
Except mother-in-law.
mother-in-law. Earlier it was against all the petitioners. But thereafter the charges were dropped.
313 is dropped qua the mother-in-law.
No. 313 is entirely dropped against all the petitioners.
Yes.
313, that's a no
354
severe, and 354 only against the mother-in-law. In the charge sheet, they initiated it against the mother-in-law, but dropped against all other petitioners. It was against actually in the name of brother-in-law. But thereafter,
Mother-in-law is accused in 354A.
354.
And
And no male members are not,
For the-
yes, they all are excluded.
so you want that, then that part of the, what do you call the offense,
Yes.
qua the mother-in-law will cost
Only by 354A.
354.
Other.
I'm submitting, my lord. Your lordship may kind of bear with me for
Yes.
some time.
Tell me.
Actually, my lord, so here the allegations in the affair are so absurd that a prudent man can reach that just in a just conclusion that the entire allegations are false. So, my lord, may kindly see.
You argue all these things at this stage of framing of charges.
Yes, my lord, on that day I was not
That is,
prepared.
that is much more prudent than
No, my lord.
trying it up at this stage.
On that day, I was not prepared, but my lords may kindly see page 1 of the FIR, the handwritten complaint, running page 31.
Yes.
My lord, that she has stated,
Yes, read it.
yes, my lord. And at para 2, my lord, she has stated that more Sasurankara Gujarat state Surat re Suta Kala Ghara ଦୋକାନ ଘର ଓ ବେପାର ଥିବା ଯୋଗୁ ଆମେ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘର ସମସ୍ତେ ପରିବାର ସଦସ୍ୟ ସୁରତରେ ଚାଲିଗଲୁ ରହିବାର ମାତ୍ର 10 ଦିନ ପରେ ମୋ ଶାଶୁ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଯା ଦେଢଶୁର ଓ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଶିକି କହିଲେ କି ଯା ତୋର ବାପା ଠାରୁ 50,000 ମାଗିକରି ଆଣେ କିନ୍ତୁ sorry.
Read it. Don't comment in between.
No.
Let us see, understand.
Yes, your lordship.
Jyoti, no.
So here is the demand of 50,000 rupees. But at page 32, running page 32, the next page, my lord, at second para.
Let us complete this.
Oh, yes, your lordship.
Jyoti, no.
ଯଦି ନା ଆଣିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମ ଘରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଲୁଗାପଟା ସଫା କରିବୁ ବାସନ ମାଜିବୁ ଘର ଓଳେଇବୁ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଚାକର ପାରି କାମ କରିବାକୁ
ତୋର ବାପାଙ୍କୁ
କହିବୁ ତାହେଲେ କେରୋସିନ କିଣିବା
କିରୋସିନ କିମ୍ବା ଏସିଡ୍
ଏସିଡ ପକେଇ ମାରିଦବୁ ହଁ ତୋର ବାପା 1800 କିଲୋମିଟର ଆସିଲା ବେଳକୁ ତୋର ପାଉଁଶ ମଧ୍ୟ ନଥିବ ତୁ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଆମ ସୁରତରେ ପୁଲିସକୁ ପଇସା ଦେଲେ କେସ୍ ରଫା ଦଫା ହୋଇଯିବ ଆମ ଠାରେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି this is the allegation and in para date 12/22/2020 दिन प्राय 12 PM आमे आसिका घरे मोर स्वामी सासू ससुर जा देढ़सुर आसी मोते मोर बापांकु धमक देले असभ्य भाषा रे गाली गुलज करिथिले
मोर स्वामी सुशांत नाम रे आसिका घर न लिखिले मोते मारि देबे सुरत रे दिने घर सफा करूथिली मोर जा सुबलिनी भुइया आसी गोड़े धूली गुड़ी को एणे तेणे पकई देले मोर सासू ससुर डाकी कहले घर भल भाव झाड़ू करूना मोर सासू जा मिसी करे मोर चुट्टी को टाणी लात मारी लात गोइठा
The problem is these are very silly allegations, but the fact remains that there are allegations.
there are allegations how much contradictory it is
I can understand these allegations are maybe correct or may not be correct, but
I am not questioning these allegations. A person is demanding 50,000
and he
but
said,
the
at the same time he said that I have a lot of money.
no he is giving 1,90,000 that is the contradiction.
Where is that one?
At para page 32 my lord second para मोर ससुर घर कथा किछि कही नाही मोर बापांकु कहिली मोते किछि टंका दियो आमे आसिका स्थित पोस्ट ऑफिस रु मोर नाम रे बंधा जायथिबा 1,50,000 टंका बॉन्ड मोर बापा आनिकरी देले this one is that thereafter in the next
Very generous.
no generous thereafter again my lord again
50,000 you gave 150.
150 not 150 190 thereafter again my lord in the next para.
All right, you have a good case. I'm not saying that you don't have a good case, but not at this stage, ma'am.
My lord, I can completely understand.
I can't get into all the nitty-gritty of every allegation, every 161 statement and all. You have a good case to argue at the stage of the charge. I am giving you that liberty to you. Go and argue. You have a fantastic case. You can be discharged also. And you will be discharged also.
One last submission.
Yes,
at page 34, she has stated in the last para on 16/3/2017, she was brutally assaulted and for 7 days they got her treated by a doctor.
These are allegations.
But again, at page 51 on my petition, my lord, she is traveling along with other petitioners. She is traveling.
That's right. I understand it. All these, from the face of it, it appears that the story is cooked up.
Yes.
Story is cooked up. But what to do? There is an investigation and charge sheet is now filed. And cognizance has been taken. So at this stage, 482 court has a very limited jurisdiction. You have to argue all these things at the...
Your lordship has inherent jurisdiction.
saying inherent will not make inherent. I have to be careful.
At least notice may be issued. And it's a good case. Is it really
Can
the
there be a
petitioners?
settlement? Can there be a settlement? So that we will try. We'll send them to mediation and.
Yes, your lordship. Yes, will be deeply obliged because
The
this is not
allegations
case.
are not much serious.
Maybe we can try for.
Allegations are not very serious.
Lordship
You know,
it's not-
if we can make little efforts, then I think it can.
मतलब मेरा बोलना ये है कि sir senior citizen should not be at least
You can
suffered.
seek exemption under 205.
Exemption I have filed, but they are living in Surat. And after thereafter at the time of trial they again they have to come all over again.
Okay, issue notice to the opposite party number 2. Returnable within 2 weeks. Next, Mrs. Rajasuriya, appearing for the petitioner, submits that the bare perusal of the allegation in the FIR and subsequent charge sheet, even if taken at face value, no case is made out. No prima facie case is made out against any of the accused persons. She also points out that the accused persons are residing
Residing at Surat.
accused persons,
Surat.
accused, but all of the
All.
residing in Surat, and the accused number, petition number 1 and 2 are senior citizens. 2 is not senior citizen.
Yes, senior citizen, my lord. Mother in.
Then you make all of us, many of us, the senior citizen at the age of 56.
It is.
Senior citizen.
My apology,
it
madam.
would be difficult for them to appear before the court below frequently. Full stop. I'm afraid in the present proceeding whether this court could pass any order, but in any case, the petitioner has all the liberty to move application under 205 and seek appropriate direction from the court insofar as the senior citizen accused person is concerned. A notice is issued to the opposite party number 2 to explore and a possibility of settlement in this matter in view of the fact that the allegations are general in nature.
Omnibus. Deeply obliged.
And after 2 weeks, call her. Let us see. We'll pursue. If we can pursue it, we can finish it up. Good for all.
There is an interim application.
No entry. That I have given out. No entry in this. Once you
Deeply-
take
deeply
entry,
obliged.
it will never come.
Deeply obliged. Nee, I will come. I will come.
2 weeks.
I assure your lordship
20.
that I will come.
First month.
Deeply obliged.
I will only persuade the other side to send both of you to the mediation cell and
Exit.
find out a solution. Because the allegations are not very serious.
Yes, your lordship.
Therefore-
Much grateful.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Here the petitioner is challenging the order dated 4/10/20.
205.
Yes,
Where are you?
my lord, he is due to old age, my lord,
What is
Yes.
your age?
67.
What are the offenses?
My lord, 420 and 467, 468, like that, man. Only because of the age was written in pen, my
When is
lord.
the next date of hearing? Have you taken bail already?
My lord, only for NBWH said the order the that was not executed.
The NVW issued, you didn't go, so therefore, all this thing. Will
The
you
same
appear-
was not,
Will you appear in person as and when required?
my lord.
My lord. Other dates were 370 filed by the 370 petition filed by the council, my lord, his council.
Huh.
And as and when required, he will appear before the court.
As and when,
The petitioner has filed the present petition seeking quashing of the order dated
But in fact, my lord,
4/10.
my lord, what happened is ST case has already been rested, my lord, sessions trial. He has to appear, my lord, the
He will appear at that time.
because 468 and 471 was there.
One, telling me the order dated 4/10/2023, passed in city case number so and so by the learned SDGM Baleshwar, whereby his application under 205 CRPC is rejected. Let counsel for the petitioner on instruction submits that his client would be appearing before the court as and when appearing before court in person as and when he is required. He is required. And he also submits that he would be resorting the procedure contemplated under 317 CRPC. In view of the aforementioned statement made by the counsel for the petitioner on instruction before the at the bar, the order dated 4/10/2023 in city case number so and so is set aside, and the petitioner is directed to approach the trial court afresh for appropriate remedy available to him.
One line may be added, my lord. If he is not absent, my lord, in his absence, the evidence is recorded, my lord, he will know a prejudice. As
Why should I pass some preemptory order? Obviously, I said as and when required, physically he has to appear. Finish.
Then, my lord,
The court will take
exception trial case, my lord. He has to
He
present
has
in
to
the
be there. If required, he has to be there. The court will insist. For if I'll pass only preemptory order, then I am controlling the entire proceeding of police.
C70
No, and physically, I have said physically.
My lord, I may be permitted to correct the year of city case, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, yes.
2014.
Yes, I have written as 2021.
No, it is 20 in page 5 in the prayer clause. You have written
My,
2014.
yes,
No.
prayer is correct, but in the first page, my lord, that was incorrect.
You correct it.
My lord,
I have disposed it up now.
my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Please run. Belgium matter, my lord.
You are in bail.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
My lord.
When?
On 22/2017, my lord.
22 2000. Write down. 22 2017 bail. We got the bail. And
Order dated 3/12/2021.
3/12/2021.
21.
3/12/2021 NBW.
NBW.
21 NBW, 23 you are coming.
Yes, ma'am.
How much will you pay? 1,000.
That's 4 persons, my lord.
4%, 500 each.
No, 2 persons, 4 persons.
4% you are talking.
4%.
You are coming to the High Court, what for? And they are engaging you, and after engaging you, they become poor or what?
No, my lord.
500 each, huh? 500 each. Okay.
Item 9 is a Belgium case, Lord Student. All along
You are bail.
Yes.
Date
Date is Lord 21/7/2018.
21/7/2018.
18.
And
Yes, Lord. NBW issued on 13/10/2022. I didn't appear on that day.
22
Yes,
didn't appear, huh?
Yes.
How much will you pay?
As you Lordship, please
21, 1,000.
500. Where's poor man from the poor man from the Koraput, Your Lordship?
21
No.
PW issued 23. you
No,
are coming.
22. Sorry.
22.
Yes, sorry.
500.
Yes, Ajurars, please.
Yes.
Much pleasure.
Petitioner is informant, my lord. He has filed case against her husband, 498A.
Speak little louder.
My lord,
Speak little louder. I can't hear you.
my lord.
Yes.
This case is filed for early disposal of the GR case, my lord, which is pending.
You are the informant.
My lord, informant.
The FIR is
Filed
dated 2013.
2013.
When charge sheet was filed? 2013.
13, my lord.
What is the stage of trial?
Trial, my lord, still pending. Accused has not been examined till date, my lord. I have filed
No,
a charge,
the
entire order sheet.
Prosecution evidence is going on. Accused
Prosecution,
will be examined after the prosecution evidence is over.
my lord.
What is the stage?
Stage, my lord, prosecution is examined.
Then why
But-
are you? Why
But
are you?
accused is not present since repeated call, my lord.
The trial court will take a call of that.
Your
482
lordship,
courts are
may-
not there for
She
making the accused
she is
ensure the
staying
proceedings are taken.
outside of the state, my lord. This is the problem.
Things are there, what to do?
If your lordship direct
What is
to
the
early
state?
disposal of the case,
My lord, accused all the case, my lord, filing the
We don't know, the proceedings are not there
317 petition, my
because,
lord.
huh?
370 always filing 317 petition, my lord. CRPC. He was absent. he
That's
can't-
right, but unless we know what is the stage of the trial, nothing is there on
your
the.
lordship direct obtain instruction, my lord, so that
You see, it is your petition, you have to substantiate. You
I
have
have
to tell
filed an
something.
entire order sheet in this case.
Where is
order
the last
number
order?
3, my
Let us see, last order.
Last order. Last order is page.
My lord, can't see, my lord, page 18.
18?
18,
Yes.
my lord, page 18, 38, sorry, 38.
30.
My lord, 38.
38.
Order dated 5/11/22, my lord. Accused are absent, but allowed to be represented under section 70 CRPC for today only. Put upon such and such. Later on, PP is ready, my lord. Police paper is ready, my lord. Ready and supplied. The record sent to the trial file for a disposal according to law.
This is
the
22, my lord. This is
সেই বর্তমান আপনি দেই
5/11.
তারপর অর্ডার দেই না অর্ডার সে দেই না ট্রায়াল কোর্ট আনিয়া কথা পুনি
In material deveni kichhi deveni and you want that
I'll transfer to the another court for trial, my lord. He has to obtain certificate there, my lord. Whether is it?
I'll pass a general kind of order. General kind of order. The present petition is filed by the petitioner who is the informant in the FIR. He seeks a direction from this court for early disposal of the trial. In the present case, the FIR was lodged on 11/6/2013, and the charge sheet was filed by the police on 31/10/2013. Then, Counsel, the petitioner took me to the proceeding of the court below to substantiate his stand, substantiate his grievance that the trial is proceeding very slowly, very at the snail's pace. Since the present dispute is arising out of an FIR registered in 2013, and about a decade has gone by. It would be appropriate if the trial court takes all necessary steps to ensure that the trial is disposed of expeditiously. With this observation, the petition is disposed. Yes.
My lord, it's a Belgium matter, my lord. NBWA was issued on
Yes, when you were on bail?
I was on bail 27 to 2020, my lord.
27, and so better to dictate 25th February under to appear one before 25th February and seek remedy available. And how NBW issued?
NBW issued on 21/11/23, my lord.
500.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Belgium matter, my lord.
Hmm.
Belgium matter,
When bail?
21/8/2007, my lord.
Speak little louder, or you have your lunch and come after.
21/8/2007, my lord.
21/8/2007.
8/2007.
21/8/2007 and NVW
6/11/2023.
ठीक है 23
Yes,
500. Yes.
Item 13.
13.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Offense under section 395.
What happened?
Lordship, Belgium matter.
You
NBW
are on bail. You are on
Lordship,
bail.
NBW issue 5/123.
Bail.
Lordship,
Bail-
bail aguru bail रे थिले lower
Bail-
court ଦେଇଥିଲେ 2008.
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା? ଡେଟ୍ ଅଛି? ଡେଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। Simply Woodland Council petitioner says that her client was on bail granted by the court below. However, he could not. He failed to appear in the court, leading to issuance of NBW wide impugn order dated. कोई डेट नहीं कुछ नहीं कम
5/1/2023.
हाँ
5/1/23.
5/1/2023 हाँ 500 you will appear on or before 25th of February and seek remedy. Okay. Yes.
14.
I was on bail on 23 April 15.
23 April 15.
NBW 26/9/19.
19. Then you have
26 to 19.
pay a little more.
I am property, my lord. I had been to Surat.
Then you can pay further more. You are working.
दादन खटिया जाइतिले.
Whatever.
Surat, there are two types of people are going to Surat.
Hmm.
Company काम करिए दादन खटिया. I am दादन वाला. But my lord has to exempt from the giving.
Exemption.
Right.
I am thinking of increasing your exemption. 2019, 2019 is the NBW. You are coming now for 500.
Okay.
Item 15.
My lord, NBW on 11/9/2012, my lord.
Bail
27/6/2002.
27/6/2002 bail and NBW
11/9/2012,
12.
my lord.
12.
What is this here? Eh?
My lord, the case, there is no progress, my lord. Case of the 2000,
Progress, if you don't go, you will progress.
check बोल के दो.
10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ବା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ
କିଏ file ହେଲା?
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଇଗଲା
ଆଁ?
ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ NBW ଟା 10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ କଲେ
ବାରବା.
my lord. ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ 27/2002, my lord.
ଆଗରୁ NBW ହେଇଥିବ.
Eh?
ଆଗରୁ NBW ହେଇଥିବ.
ହେଇଥିବ execution ହେଇପାରିନଥିବ
ପୁରା ଆସିଲା.
ଗାଏବ ହେଇଥିବେ ମାନେ then see in any case they have to surrender and do it, na?
Regular
You surrender and take regular bail whatever 1000 each. 1000. Yes.
Item 16.
Up to 100.
Belgium matter, my lord. NBW issue on 5/8/2023, my lord.
Speak little louder.
NBW issue on 5/8/2023.
Further louder. You are young, then you should speak more louder. Yes. Yes. Bail. When you got the bail?
Well, he is complied the 41 years.
41 ଥିଲେ ସମୟ ଗଲା ସମୟ ଉପରେ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ.
Acha. Simply write that the petitioner is an accused in the FIR number so and so. The
5/8/2024.
CRPC was issued to him, but he did not appear, which led to the issuance of
ऐसे कंप्लाई करले. थाने रे कंप्लाई करले आफ्टर चार्जशीट मानर समन्स इशूड.
41 was issued. Only. However, after filing of the charge sheet, he didn't appear, which led to the issuance of NBW by order dated
5/8/2023. 5/8/2023.
5/8/2023.
3.
500.
Same thing, 2% is there. Other courts are
500 is 1000.
किसी coordinate. Oh, bless.
You are giving to bar only.
Beg pardon, my lord. Item
Yes.
15. Date before which they surrender, my lord. Item 15.
Date of surrender.
25th of February. Sub 25th February. You surrender. Yes.
17.
For dropping of the criminal case and passing of the covenants. Earlier order of this Hon'Ble Court is at Annexure 4, page 23.
Yes.
On page 23, I am reading. And the relevant portion is page 24, paragraph 6.
Yes.
Having this matter on the basis of the compromise matter. Having had law and counsel appearing for the parties and considering the submission made, this court, while disposing of the CRLMC, directs the petitioner to produce the informant and injured before the court below to give their evidence in support of the compromise on 24th November 2023 without fail. Lord and court below is directed to take evidence of the informant and injured on the said date and pass appropriate order thereafter with regard to the disposal of the matter till 24th November 2023, the interim order. Thereafter, their evidence was recorded. Page 25.
They did not support.
They have supported the compromise. I am reading just 2 lines. This is the informant.
Then what happened?
The court did not drop the proceeding, rather permitted.
395 is there. For that,
Technically 390. Below Dhanno Kati Negal. This is the allegation. I have filed the FIR.
My lord, since they have not supported the case, my lord, issue notice simply
They,
to
they,
them.
they
and
have
I'll
supported
appeal.
the, they
I
have
file joint affidavit here. my lord.
Compromise.
Your lordship can quash it
They
here.
supported the compromise.
compromise.
Your lordship can quash it here, my lord.
Yes.
In quasi.
My lord, here, my lord.
The
Since they have not said,
My-
as per
it-
our
it-
personal order of this only court, my lord, they appear before the court below and
Let the opposite party.
My lord, exact.
We can't quasi like that.
yes, my lord.
A joint affidavit ଦେବେ।
ଏଠି joint affidavit ରେ ସେଠି ସେ ପୁରା specific କହିଲେ।
ପହଲେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ
ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା?
395 ଅଛି ନା?
Procedure follow କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. The first when the court first instance when you came,
ସେ ଏଠି
that
ଡକେଇ
time it could have been also done.
ଏଠି ଡକେଇ କରିଥିଲେ ସରକାର ନା କିନ୍ତୁ କହିଦେଲେ ସେଠି ଯାଇକି
କହିଲା 395 ତାଙ୍କର power ନାହିଁ ସେ କମିଟି କରିବା ବାଧ୍ୟ ପାସ କରିପାରିବେନି।
Trial court, what the trial court will do? You tell me.
ମାଷ୍ଟର
Trial court has also a problem technically.
Exactly.
Okay, we issue notice and come next week.
ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ
So that we'll fix.
ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ଅଛି ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ କରିବ ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟା
Stay. Stay.
ଷ୍ଟେ ନା ମାନେ ଡେଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ଫିକ୍ସ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆସିବେ
ଧରି ଆସିବେ
Issue notice and stay before that.
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ 2-3
2-3.
ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋଫର୍ମା କରିଦେବି
ନେଇ ଆସିବେ
ठीक है परफॉर्मा नहीं आप इशू करते हैं
तब कर दो
गिव ए शॉर्ट डेट हाँ 16 17 16 दे 16 तो बात करता काम खत्म
हाँ
ସେଇଟା
दे यस
item 18
Please, your lordship.
further proceedings see हाँ
My lord, this is Belgium matter.
yes
NBW issue undated 14/11/22.
bail
Bail, my lord. 24/8/2020.
speak little louder
24/8/2020.
further louder you are so young why are you speaking so
24/8/2020.
24/8/2020 bail okay.
NBW issue 14/11/2023. 3 accused persons.
Okay, 3 accused person 500 each
Obligation.
yes next
Obligation.
item 19
yes pass over
item 20
This is a Belgium matter, my lord.
yes when you got the bail
My lord,
when you got the bail
I got the bail of 1/3/14. I jumped bail on 10/8/2022.
1/3/14 and 10/8
10/8/22.
how many of you are there
One accused.
one
My lord.
One,
My lord,
NBW 22
22. 10/8/22. Page 13 annexure
so
2.
how much will you pay
200.
nice year man more than
you
that
are insulting the bar by paying 200
Radical advocate
500
of life.
21
May I please? This is a Belgium matter, my lord.
yes when you got the bail
Bail, my lord, earlier bail 24/6/2013, my lord. Belgium, my lord, 10/10/2017, my lord.
17
My lord,
you are
17,
now coming
my lord.
why
Commitment ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା commitment ପରେ ପୁଣି other ପୁଣି transfer to assistant secretary.
all of you have not appeared all of you 11 of you
11 accused କରିଛନ୍ତି। earlier bail ସେ transfer ହେଇଛି court transfer ହେଇଗଲା 317% already filed, my lord. 317% are rejected by
reject
trial court rejected.
the after the petitioners are the accused in the ICC one ICC case number 1 up to 2022 after the charge sheet was filed against them none of them appeared rather they prefer to resort to rather they moved application on 317 CRPC the Learned Trial Court by the impugn order dated 10/10/2017 I rejected the application of 217 CRPC and issued NBW against all of them. The petitioner is seeking indulgence of this court. The counsel for the petitioner, under instruction for his clients, undertakes that their client would be, states that all the accused persons would be appearing before the trial court on or before 25th of February 2024 and seek remedy available to them under law. On the submission and circumstances, it is passed. And 11 people means 500 is how much?
500 each.
How much? 2017.
500 each
Delhi
Delhi labor
Delhi labor.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଲୋକ ସବୁ ସୁରଟର କାମ
11 people, how will I divide? Who will pay how much?
ଲର୍ଡସିପ
200 each. 200 each. Okay. 300 each crore. So that it will be
200 my lord.
okay. 200 each.
One my lord corresponding to ST case number is 16 ST ହେଇଯାଇଛି last
But appear and get the bail and all, huh?
my lord.
Okay.
ST case number 298 of 2013 my lord.
Yes, in the prayer clause you have written that.
My lord.
298 of 2013.
My lord.
Okay.
Very
Very
good.
22.
Yes.
22, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, NBW has been issued on dated 5/1/2024. Bail, my lord, here 4 accused person. Petition number 1 and 2 has been released on bail on 12/5/2021. And 3 and 4 has been released on 3/5/2021. I have also annexed those.
Okay, it's all right.
Yes.
Then how much will you pay?
300 rupees, my lord, each.
Don't reduce 300, 500 minimum. What is it?
And bail jump of the year 2024, my lord. So that's why I'm paying. I have filed this bail application.
Okay, 1,000.
Yes, my lord.
4 of you are there.
Yes. One more correction, my lord. In cause title, GR case number I have typed, but the year have not typed.
Prayer, just see, I look at prayer, the prayer. Prayer is correct?
In prayer it is correct, my lord.
Prayer, I go by the prayer.
Yes, ma'am. In prayer that is correct.
It's all right. Okay.
Obliged.
Prayer is correct. Okay. Next. Yes.
Your lordship, please. This case, my lord, is.
Can you just wait up just 5 minutes? I'll take.
Yes.
paragraph 14.
Yes.
Yes. I filed copy of the petition itself, which I filed here, my lord. I can't be. Yes.
Para 14.
Page 10, my lord.
Okay.
Your lordship may have this Roman 14, a small Roman 14. On earlier occasion, petition has approached this Honorable High Court. So this I have given. And thereafter,
This is a bail application.
this is the bail application, my lord. So that in any case, bail application, your lordship, my criminal proceeding. So I have not filed 482 petition earlier as if it is being projected that I have suppressed something. This is a different
Yes, you
cause
have
of
suppressed. To my submission, you have
So you
suppressed.
please point.
ABL appeal number 1386 of 2023 is a 3 to 4 pages order has been passed, inclined to grant bail. Every decision.
Decline to grant.
Yes.
Yes, yes. I have
Every decision has been discussed there and it has been mentioned in the order sheet.
Take out that order.
Your lordship may
Yes,
kindly
yes,
see
I am carrying this. I have mentioned about this in this.
And the second
Okay,
one.
now, yeah, have you ever come to this court under 482 for
Oh,
intelligence?
Yes.
That's why.
My lord, on CRLMC 27 of 2024 it is pending. CRLMC 27 of 2024 it is pending.
Take out.
And criminal revision number 673 of 2020 it is pending.
Is it mine or somebody else, some other?
I don't know.
My lord, there are 4 accused.
Let us
So-
understand. Let us
Yes.
understand. You are Anshuman
I am Anshuman Samantare, my lord.
Samantare,
Yes, sir.
and this is Anshuman.
Yes, yes, that I have disclosed.
Two other petition which you have
Mine.
said, just give.
CRLMC 27 of
Just take out
2020.
the first. Yes. Let him give.
Mine.
Take it out.
Mine.
And what is the case, by the way?
My lord, case is.
By the time he takes it,
Yes.
out, let us understand.
Mine.
What is.
My lord, the case is that there was certain loan which was available.
I'll tell you one thing. Mr. Maharaj is appearing in this court. He's one of the fairest counsel, and he doesn't object lightly.
I'm sorry.
Lightly.
I'm
So
sorry.
therefore, if something is there, let us inquire about.
Yes.
Because I'll tell you what had happened. Recently, there was a problem in this court. Some concealment. Generally, what happens is in criminal prosecution, criminal proceedings, you don't read the pleadings.
Right.
And the clients are not fair. They will
Right.
suppress the facts from the client,
So
advocates also.
If that is the case that I
No,
have
but I
earlier
understand.
approached in 482, then that is the case that I am facing.
Yes.
That I have that.
Maybe let us find out what are. By
Yes.
the way, what is the case?
So the case is, my lord, in 2012, there was certain loan availed by me from Punjab National Bank. And for that loan, certain security was deposited with the bank.
Okay.
Those securities, my lord, if your lordship has page number 23, the bank did entire due diligence and thereafter they prepared a sanction letter that these are the security that I am taking and this is what the loan I am proposing to give you. Your lordship may have page 23.
23.
Page 23, my lord.
Yes.
Date is not there, but I am told date is 26/11/2012. In that, my lord, there is a description of property in the box.
Yes.
In this box, there is no description of the property in relation to which this FIR has been lodged. There is no description. The person is not named Lakshmidhar Chaudhary. Now, once bank invokes
These are the property collateral
given,
okay,
and there is no mention of this property about which grievance has been raised in criminal proceeding now, which is subject matter here. Now, in 2015, bank invokes securitization and the notice is given in 2015. Your lordship may have note of this date, 2015. The moment notice is received by the husband of this complainant, that man goes to the DRT to say that, sorry, I have never mortgaged this property. This is my property. I never went there. For that, your lordship may have page number 34. 34 is the application of, it starts in fact at page 30. Your Lordship may have page
Start at page 30.
30. This is applicant,
Lakshmidhar Chaudhary is the husband of the
informant and owner of the property.
owner of the property. He went to the
BRG to say,
tribunal to say
that
that the
at
property was
page,
never mortgaged.
at page 34, Your Lordship may see,
Yes.
page 34, at the bottom, my lord, Roman 3, it is humbly submitted here that the applicant did not know the defendant at all. Applicant never stood guarantor against the loan at any point in time. Applicant never executed agreement in favor of the respondent bank for the purpose of the loan in respect of the suit land. Original documents, etc., were with the applicant. However, the applicant was suffering from old age since 2000. So this is the stand that I never did it. This man dies in 2017. Lakshmidhar. This application is pending. This is decided dismissing this application. Then the wife, who is Urmila Chaudhary, approaches this honorable court and says that bank has committed fraud with my property. That statement, Your Lordship may have. This is the petition, my lord, at page 39.
Yes, I'm on that.
Now,
This was the writ petition.
Yes. This is Urmila Chaudhary.
Yes. What happened to this writ petition?
And now this was withdrawn all of a sudden. Now, I just want to point out one line, my lord, if your lordship has this.
Yes.
Page 44 bottom.
Yes, I'm on that.
44 bottom, the said notice was also published in newspaper since Lakshmidhar was ill, bedridden, etc. The bank authorities, instead of cooperating the matter, taking steps of this property, etc. And then she says that there was fraud on the part of the bank. So that is her stand before this honorable court, and it should be investigated. All of a sudden, she comes before this honorable court. This petition is withdrawn.
Yes.
This petition is withdrawn. So the man who owned the property is saying, I never mortgaged. Wife is saying it was never mortgaged. After withdrawal of this, Urmila goes to the police station and lodges an FIR. And FIR, your lordship will find, it is in vernacular, my lord, but I'll...
Page 56.
Page 56, can we have translation so that I can read
Yes,
it, my lord?
Just tell me the overall.
Yes, it is important because, give the other side also. Now, FIRs, my lord, if your lordship will read 6-7 lines from the bottom.
Yes.
But after repeated inquiry from the manager, the said property was guaranteed by one Anshuman Samantre, and he took loan from the bank. We have no idea about Anshuman Samantre. Afterwards, notice came regularly to my home. Due to the said notices, my husband died,
What
and
is
I
the fact whether this property is mortgaged or not?
Yes, I am not sure. Now, what document will determine whether it is mortgage? Sanction letter. Sanction letter I have shown your lordship. Sanction letter has nothing about this property. Now the bank in DRT takes a stand saying that subsequently, when loan was disbursed to me, this property was added. Now who added? I need to sign this. This aspect is not being investigated.
You have got the loan.
Yes,
it is to your benefit.
Yes, madam.
Then if the property is added, then
I need to
see the earlier two stand taken by Lakshmidhar and the wife in the writ petition.
Yes.
May be insufficient fact, not known to her.
Yes.
When she came to know about the fact that the property is also added along with the earlier
that addition.
Then addition gives a cause of action for the purpose of investigation.
That addition has to have my endorsement. I need to be somewhere in that addition process. I need to sign some document.
Who has done it then?
Nobody is ready to
benefit. To your benefit.
My lord, ultimately it can be related to my benefit. But
it is, of course, it is for your benefit. You are the person who has taken the loan. Why should anybody will do it for your benefit?
My lord, that is the question that probably sometime will arise.
That would be a fantastic. It is kind of a plea of elevate.
Plea of elevate.
And
My lord,
that could be analyzed in the trial.
My lord, there has to be somewhere some role of mine in endorsing that this property can be taken as security for the loan which I have availed. Who will investigate this?
What is the stage of investigation?
My lord, against
Lordship,
three.
I don't know whatever documents he has.
What is the stage of it?
My lord, I will say.
Your Lordship.
4 persons were made accused. There is one charter accountant. There appears to be some role. And the son of Lakshmidhar and an assistant of charter accountant, these 3 and me were finally named in the charge sheet. Charge sheet is filed qua 3. Since I was not there, so that has been segregated and non-bailable warrant has been issued. Now the problem is, I went to the trial court. I came here.
I'll cause the NBW, go and face it.
Your lordship may allow me.
I'll quash your NBW, go and appear with the court, argue all these points at the stage of trial, at the stage of framing of charge.
He is serious patient of cancer. He has oral cancer. He has to take steroid every day to make his mouth this Anshuman.
205, 217.
Dismissed. My lord, I have placed on
that I can make an observation.
Your lordship,
you have to cooperate with the
That your Lordship may kindly
and
go
subject
through
to
the-
condition, let us see this.
Yes.
Before that, your Lordship may kindly go through the order.
Yes.
And
See this Anshuman.
I was coming to that. When first round I came,
This is bail.
Your Lordship may kindly see.
Yes, I understand.
Everything, whatever
Yes,
submission
sir.
is.
Okay,
written here.
with great respect, sir. May I? When
I'll hear you separately.
When I came here, yes, I was just discussing amongst ourselves also the same thing. When I came here, since the bank has done this and this man is in hospital, somebody comes here for bail. So there is some problem in the pleading, in the bail application. And your lordship knows that in criminal matter pleadings, somebody has made this a statement in that he himself appeared and signed, Lakshmidhar Chaudhary. And that's how the honorable court was persuaded that he.
No, I'm not prejudiced by whatever the court has said.
So that's the only.
What the whole idea is, now there is a FIR against you. Allegations are serious. Charge sheet has been filed. You are on bail.
No, I am not on bail.
Okay, you are not on bail. Not on bail. Now we have to ensure that how the trial should proceed. You go and appear and get the appropriate order and let the trial proceed. As simple as that.
No problem, my lord. The only issue is
I'll stay the NBW order. You go and appear, seek appropriate remedy and proceed.
Yes,
various applications.
your lordship may do that. One more thing before my learned friend. I have filed additional document. This is 54 pages document. Yesterday I have filed.
Yes.
That shows that how he has medical problem. He takes steroid every day to make his mouth conducive to intake the food. His surgery has taken place from the backside, mouth, neck, everything 6 times. And he has serious problem.
I accept that to be true. I will not go into it.
I will not press anything more.
Anything.
Violent.
Yes.
No, only because why these various applications are filed before this honorable court and some application is pending. Because since 2019,
He has been trying desperately.
he is trying for
pain. He's not getting it.
Yes, that is the whole difficulties. And this vivid description has been given so far the anticipated bail is concerned.
But see, we have to ensure that the trial should proceed. That's all.
Yeah, no,
he
no
should
problem.
appear and let the trial proceed. Why unnecessary get into all these things? I'll stay the NBW. Let him go. Simple. And let him go and get the remedy available to him under law. And the court should be a little sympathetic to his health condition. Just see, the health condition is very pathetic. Maybe a human approach has to be there.
Article 21 is meant for that.
That I'll
the state, in any case, I am not running away.
No, he doesn't appear so often. See, there are few cases the people really conceal the fact, and it is his responsibility being a state counsel to.
It's all our joint responsibility.
It is all joint.
It's our responsibility.
Idea of all of us is to see that how the trial proceeds, and if somebody suffers,
ultimately we are
let us have a little human approach. That's all.
That's right.
But trial has to proceed in any case. Right? I way for the present petition petitioner. Where is your prayer? you make, what are the fair? Petitioner has invoked the jurisdiction of this court under 482 inter alia seeking final relief, prayer 20. Then counsel for the petitioner took me to the contents of the fire and submits that in the sanction letter issued by the bank, the property description which were
Subject matter of mortgage.
which were created against which the charge has been created. Charge has been created is created indicates that the subject property is not included. Earlier, the husband of the informants had filed application before the Debt Recovery Tribunal and inter alia stated page 34. Subsequently, the informant herself filed a writ petition before this court and has also averred in the writ petition as under page 44. After these two proceedings when the matter stood thus, the informants lost the instant FIR inter alia alleging that the property in subject has been introduced subsequently as a collateral for the purpose of the loan amount for the purpose of the loan granted in favor of the present petition.
Bank is nowhere aggrieved. Bank has not taken it. Bank is nowhere aggrieved. Bank has not taken.
Then counsel for the petitioner further submits that although the complaint alleges that the bank has added the property subject as a collateral subsequently, but bank as such has not made any grievance out of it.
And sold many properties and they are
not grievance made out. The matter is at the stage of framing of charges. It appears that the petitioner has made various attempts before this court for grant of bail. Don't write that. Right, that Mr. Maharaj appearing for the state points out that the petitioner has made various attempts before this court for seeking grant of bail. And he further submits that the petitioner has deliberately concealed the fact that he has approached this court thrice by filing the following petitions. He has petitions number there, following petitions. He has also taken me to the order passed by the coordinate bench in BL number 1386 of 2023, dated 10/10/2023, to submit that the petitioner has on merit
31/3/2023.
2023. Okay, 2020. The petitioner has argued on merit in detail before the coordinate bench while pressing his plea for bail.
This bail application is part of the proceeding which I have filed here.
However, he has not got a favorable order. That's the reason he has invoked invoked the jurisdiction of this inherent jurisdiction of this court under 482 CRPC. Here, next order. Having heard the parties, I am of the considered view that at this stage, this court need not go into the disputed facts in detail. Suffice it to say that the petitioner has not appeared before the court, leading to issuance of NBW. It would be appropriate that the petitioner should approach. Where is the NBW order?
My lord, this is at page 104. It starts.
What is the date?
19/12/2023.
Yes. Leading to issuance of LBW order dated
19/12.
19/12/2023, passed by JMFC 3 Bhubaneswar in CT case number 6196 of 2019. Let the counsel for the petitioner submits on instruction that his client would appear before the court on or before 29th of February 2014 and seek appropriate remedy available to him under law. He further submits that he has placed on record voluminous document to aware that his client is terminally ill. What is the?
He has oral cancer.
He is suffering from oral cancer, and he has undergone
various surgeries,
medical procedure also. Recently, he had undergone medical procedure as well. Therefore, he seeks a lenient view should be taken. I leave it to the court below to take appropriate view in the light of the fact that the petitioner is suffering from various ailments. And the petitioner, if advised so, move appropriate application and to under section 205 CRPC or 317 CRPC. However, he has to appear in person for availing remedy. However, he has to surrender to the jurisdiction of the court on or before 29th of February 20. With this observation, the petition is dismissed.
Lordship may say that this non-bailable warrant is quashed.
Stayed till 20.
And
Operation of the order dated what is that? Order dated 19/12/2023, passed by JMFC 3 Bhubaneswar in CT case number 6196 of 2019 is stayed till 29th. Operation of the same is stayed till 29th of February 2024.
And section 205 application shall be considered afresh.
You want me to move, pass an order in 205 also? I
No,
say
my
that
lord,
if advised, so you move application.
I have moved, so it was dismissed earlier prior to this.
That's right. Now a fresh application, you surrender.
And
that's what I've indicated.
And the
I think I have taken care of both the sides.
One more aspect, my lord. Considering otherwise the health condition had not been there.
See
So your lordship,
the type of documents you have filed, any judge would take a view in favor of you.
That's what, my lord. If it
he become mild by reading that only.
Yes.
Otherwise, you would have attacked you.
So only if that comes, that the honorable judge will take that view while granting,
I'll not preempt.
While considering the bail, will take sympathetically. That's
I will not pass a preemptory order at all.
Sympathetically, my lord.
Sympathetically,
your lordship may.
That I said.
He'll take.
Be satisfied with this. I believe I have.
I'm so deeply obliged.
Balance of order.
I'm so deeply.
But it would be better that you should appear and argue.
I will join the
welfare fund.
No, that's your right. This order is subject to the petitioner paying. How much will you pay?
Whatever, my lord. I can't.
Taken 4 crore loan.
4 crore loan, but my lord, everything I've paid to the hospital.
Subject to petitioner paying 5,000 to the welfare fund also. Pay 5,000.
5,000. I'll do that. I'm so deeply obliged.
Baki thala 1,000 taka, eta misigala.
4 crores, therefore 5,000.
It went above my head, man.
He said that in all the cases you have said 1,000. Now, in few cases, we escape notice, Then he points out, sir, you have not imposed cost. So we covered up that.
So I am taking your lordship's jurisdiction for sympathetic aspect, so I can't object to cost. So that
should have been it should have been 50,000. So sympathetically 5,000.
No, sympathetically on the order, my lord.
Thank you.
I am so deeply obliged.
Next.
24.
Yes.
Order dated
Bail, when you got the bail?
8/1/24 warrant, bail my lord 22/12/2017, my lord.
22,
12/2017.
22/12/2017, 8/1/2024, 500. NBW
Enumerated 8/1/24.
24. 8/1/2024, 500.
3 petitioner, their family members. In total 1,000.
1,000 total, huh? Okay. 1,000.
In
Three
total.
petitioners are there, no?
Yes.
1,000.
Obliged.
25. Yes.
Maybe your lordship.
25th, sir.
25th.
Yes.
25th lordship, it's a bail jump matter
Yeah. When you got the bail?
on 23/4/2010.
23/4/2010. Okay.
Bail
14
jump.
is the bill. Operating. Order dated 21/8/2014.
14.
Bail.
No, warrant.
Bail jump.
Bail jump order 21/8/2014.
14, now we are after 1 decade.
Lords.
What is the offense?
Offense is 363, 366.
How much?
Lords.
500 per year.
500 only.
Per year.
For year.
Total 1,000 rupees.
2014 you are coming in. Okay, 1,000. But appear on or before 25th.
Lordship.
Yes. 26.
26 lordship.
Same.
No, lordship. It's a 311 petition
Okay.
which was not allowed.
Not allowed. You are accused.
I'm accused lordship 3 is the case under 302 and 332.
Which witness you want?
It's a medical officer lordship PW 20 because the senior counsel was not there.
Show me the cross examination.
କିଛି ତ ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ କଣ
କିଛି ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ତ ଜାଣିବ କିଛି ଫାଇଲ
କିଛି
କରିବେନି ଆପଣ
document ନାହିଁ। No document.
311 ର application ନାହିଁ जो witness को
Lordship,
recall କରିବେ ତାର examination ନାହିଁ
questionnaire is there. The questionnaire which was application is there. 311 application.
Where is that? Questionnaire that page 5.
Yes, your lord.
How much blood in the human body survives?
ये कौन
You are writing research paper or something?
ये की क्वेश्चन
What is this?
That's
Just
right.
read the question.
How much blood in the human body to survive from life? How much blood on loss due to injury?
You want to write a research paper on human body. Eh?
ये बाप मां
Better withdraw it. See the question, it's a very interesting question. I don't want to pass order. Withdraw.
Okay.
What is this? Next. 27.
Belgium matter, by an order dated 12/12/2022, NBW issued my lord.
No, bail.
Petitioner was on bail 2/11/2016.
2/11/2016. Bail order के पहला
Order dated 12/12/2022.
12/12/2022.
Due to local bar strike.
अभी बट आपण तो सी ऑर्डर भी फाइल करना थी बार
Order टा फाइल करछि पेज 19
19
12/12/2022.
ठीक है 22 तो 500.
My please, Your Lordship. Lordship, bail jump matter. Petitioner was on bail 3/2/2021 and NBW dated
3/2/2021.
21.
हाँ.
NBW dated 21/2024.
21
20 January.
20 को
20 January. 24.
500. Yes. 29.
29, my lord. Petitioner was on bail on 15/2/23.
15/2/23. हाँ.
NBW issued on 19/4/23.
500.
4.
19/4. तो फाइल तो दिखियो ना इम्प्यून ऑर्डर दिखियो ना इम्प्यून ऑर्डर दिखियो Don't go by what they say. Only bail order, date carefully write down. Otherwise, you have to see from the record. Bail order date may not be there on the record. So therefore, I'm asking. But all the things are there. You have to see that. Okay. Next. 30.
Petitioner was on bail 16/9/2017, but Biden order dated 15/9/2022.
500. Yes. 31.
Belgium matter, my lord, here the case is difference. The petitioner number 1 was released on bail on 13/11/2009. Petitioner number 2 was released on anticipated bail by the police on 2/9 as per direction of the Supreme Court on 2/9/2009.
Petition number 2. Huh?
2/9/2009.
Petition number 1 kete koile?
13/11/2009. Document is
NBW.
my lord, NBW, fresh NBW was issued on 4/12/2023.
ଆଗରୁ ବି execute
ଆଗରୁ ଥରେ ହେଇଥିଲା, but
2016 ରୁ ଚାଲିଛି
My lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଛରେ
my lord,
ଆପଣ execute କରିବାକୁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
my lord, here the case is difference. Initially, your lordship,
ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ 1000 each ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
my lord,
2 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 2016 ରୁ ବୁଲଉଛନ୍ତି
ମାନେ
police।
16 ରୁ ବୁଲିବାର ରିଜନ ଅଛି,
ହାଁ
ତାର କାରଣ ଅଛି।
କଣ
My lord, initially FIR was registered on 376/506/34 IPC.
ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ 500 ପାଇଁ ଏତେ କେସ୍ ଶୁଣିବ ଆପଣ create 500 each ठीक है each 500
32. 32, my lord. Petitioner was on bail 8/11/17.
8/11/17
2017. Yes, my lord.
yes
NBW issued on 11/10/22.
22 କେତେ ଜଣ
ଜଣେ
ଜଣେ ତ 22 ନା 1500
Public one.
yeah
33.
Belgium matter. Petitioner released on bail 19/14.
12/9/14 Okay.
NBW are issued on 10/11/14.
ये बाबा 14
14.
how many of you are there one Mohit Ranjan Behera.
My lord,
Why have you come so late after 1 decade?
no, if you have no knowledge about it.
There are about 21 accused person, 22 accused person.
Yeah.
All of them are facing trial.
All of them. My lord, may I pray one thing?
If those, where is that impugn order? Those 11 advocate for local bar of the strike 217 other accused person absent and will not yet executed put up. Okay. ठीक है वो was it 1000 strike was going on 317 application was moved by them rejected NBW issue 1000
May I pray one thing? Name is Babana alias Mohit Ranjan Behera.
sorry
Correction.
correction of the name
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit Ranjan Behera
Mohit Ranjan Behera alias Babana.
Elias is not there.
The Babana is also there and Mohit also there. And serial number 17 and serial number 10. The same person, 2 names.
That you have to correct there na trial court record how will you correct you move application there and get it corrected I can't do that
Okay.
here in this case Mohit Ranjan Behera has come
Yes.
I am quashing so far as Mohit Ranjan Behera's NBW is concerned
Right.
you have to get it corrected there that is a mistake that is a mistake in trial court record sir just see ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ page 8 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ page 8 ରେ these are the accused names
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it
Yes.
how can I correct it
No. From the cause title in my CRL.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଏ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କିଏ କୋ accused number କେତେ Babana Behera paid accused number 10 and
Kindly have a glance to page 10.
Mohit
I can
Behera?
explain. See, Babana Behera alias Bappi.
your client name is
Bappi Maharana.
Mohit Ranjan
Babana
Behera
Behera.
ठीक है Mohit Ranjan Behera
Yes.
দেখুন
Bail was issued against
is at
He has granted bail.
Mohita Behra is the whose father's name?
NBW was issued against Babana Behra.
Mino Gotana Behra.
So Mohit and Babana is same person.
Na. Jesse, accused number 17. Jesse, accused number 17.
Yes.
Accused number 17 is page 9. দেখুন তো
Page 9, Mohit
page
Behra,
9 দেখুন তো
son of Mino.
Mohit Behra and Mino Ketan Behra.
Son of
This
Mino.
is the petitioner in your petition now.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I am quashing it. Insofar as he is concerned, you are saying that the accused number 7 and accused number 10 is one and same. That's what you want to say.
Accused number 10.
Accused number 10 is Babana Behra, son of Mino Ketan Behra. So you have to get it corrected there. Okay. Okay. Go and move application correct.
Belgium matter lordship.
Yes.
And date of issue NW 8/11/23 lordship. I was on bill 12/1/14.
12/1/14, 8/1.
8/1/23 NW.
अच्छा 1000
Lordship.
500 2023 NBW.
Lordship.
500.
35.
मैं मोटे दबन ना कौन.
May I please, my lords. Annexure 2, my lord, Belgium matter, order dated 25/3/2019, my lord, bail was judged. In this case, my lord, there is bail order, my lord, when granted that time, that date no, my is not available to me, my lord.
But he was on bail.
He was my bail.
The petitioner submit that the petitioner was in bail in this matter. However, due to his default in appearance before the court below, NBW was issued on 23/3.
Not 25/3/9.
25/3/2019.
Again.
Correct. 25 1000.
Again. Double.
36. You readily agreed means you could have paid me little more also.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଇଲାଣ ପାଖରେ ହେଲା ସେଇଟା ହେଲା ସବୁ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଆମର ଖୁସି ଅଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଦିସ୍ ମାଇଲାଣ
ପଇସା ଆସୁଛି ବୋଲି ନା
ବାର ବି ଇନକମ ହଉଛି ବାର ଇନକମ ନଥିଲା ବି ଯାଉ 5,000 ଡେଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କର 10,000 12,000 କଣ ଇନକମ ହଉଛି
that should be used in welfare of the
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ଭଲ ଆଜ୍ଞା
yes
ଆଜ୍ଞା
This is a Belgium matter, Malo. NBW issued on 17.
bail ke veitila kontu
Bail, Malo. It is a Malo in the mention into the charge sheet. Mal, they are the prisoners are on bail, Malo. You can discuss.
Submits that the petitioners were on bail. Petitioners on bail in this matter. However, due to 2003,
My lord, thereafter fresh NBW also issued on 6/1/2024, my lord. They are lady, my lord.
6/1/2024.
Mal, fresh bill.
6/1/2024. NBW. 500 each.
That's why I told 34 is the correct ST number correction is necessary.
34.
Lordship, I told
1 minute. 34 prayer. We go by the prayer. You don't go by anything. Prayer rate.
Now ST number 158 of
prayer rate ଆପଣ କିଛି ST case ଲେଖି କାନାନ୍ତି କାମ ଖତମ
क्लासिक टर्म जो अछि ST case number 76/2017 and section 4 and 5 to substance act.
ST case, what is ST case number 158/14?
158/14
na
that to correct
158/14 there is confusion अछि page 12 with अछि yes correct is 158/14
NBW was issued on 9th. 37 item number.
37.
Yes.
9/10/2023. 9th October 2023. NBW said he was
bail କେବେ ପାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
bail on 16/3/2010.
10
Yes,
16/2010 ତାହେଲେ it is 500 only because 2023
Oblate.
38.
It, my lord, this is for early disposal of the 1cc case, my lord. My lord,
2017 case.
17 case, my lord, since 22, my lord. No NBW has been issued. It is about 1 year. The petitioner has the accused has not been appeared, my lord.
The learned counsel.
Slow process, my lord.
Learned counsel, no, the petitioner is the complainant in 1 CC case number 50 of 2017. Full stop. This case is arising out of a complaint under section 138 NI Act. The petitioner submits that despite the fact that the NBW was issued on
29/4/22. 22, my lord. 2022.
Against the accused person, the same is not executed. Therefore, he seeks indulgence of this court. Which police station is this?
The Raurkela.
Who police station किच लेकिन ना
Police station कौन तो ना किम
Eta GMFC Raurkela.
JMFC नहीं कीजिए ना कौनो warrant.
এটা 130 না একটু
I know, but
কিছু তো কোর্ট
NBW ହେଇଯିବ execution ହବ ଆଉ simple as that. କୋଉ ଥାନା କଣ କହିଲେ ତ direct ଦିଆ ହବ.
My lord, Lathikota PS. Lathikota.
Lathikota PS.
My lord.
Where from you got it?
1 CC case, my lord.
আরে সেটা ঠিক যে আপন সেটা কোন কହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କପି ମିଳିଥିବ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ ର କପିଟା ସେ କପିଟା ଦେଲେ ସିନା ଆମେ ସେଟା ଦେଖେଇବୁ.
My lord,
These are minimum things, sir. You are asking something.
your lordship adjourn it. For next week I will
By 2
supply.
o'clock you come and tell me, otherwise I'll dismiss it. I can't entertain frivolous petitions. I want to give you indulgence and you don't want this thing. Come at 2 o'clock. Ask your client and which is the police station. You want an execution of NBW, you must know which police station is it.
ସେ କପିଟା ବି ଦେଲେ ସେଟା ଆମେ କର.
And in the entire petition, you keep on searching anywhere. It's not written.
Tomorrow, my lord,
Tomorrow. You exact police station.
My lord.
So that IAC we can give a direction that execute the warrant.
My lord.
Your purpose is keep it tomorrow and do order for IAC is directed to execute the warrant. ठीक है तो IAC नाटक होई बस. Next, yes.
May I please? This is the Belgium matter, my lord. Enroll issued on 12/12/2023 and he was on bail on 24/9/2012, my lord. 24/9/2012.
24/9/2012. NBW?
NW 12/12/2023.
12/12/2023. 500.
Oh, black.
Yes.
40, my lord. This is also early disposal of the case. This case is pending.
You are coming in all the early disposal as if what is the I-1CC case? This is 2009 case, of course. What happened?
2009, my lord.
What happened here?
My lord, in this case, the accused is changing their advocate time to time. It is about 5
I
times.
will pass an injunction order not to change the lawyer.
That's
He
why
has
he
right
is
to
taking
change the
time.
lawyer. He has the right to change the lawyer. What to do?
As a result of which this case is pending since
What can I do? He has the
your
right to
lordship
change the lawyer.
directive from disposal, early disposal of the case.
But see, early disposal, I have to hear the other side also.
ସେଟା ଶୁଣିବା ତାପରେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ 311 petition also was filed on dated 13/11/2023.
2009 138 NI Act.
You have filed.
My lord.
ସେଟା କଣ ହେଲା କଣ ନାହିଁ
order sheet ଟା ମୁଁ
ଗୋଟେ NSR ଫାଇଲ କରି ଗୋଟେ ପିଟିସନ ଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
I have filed a order sheet, my lord. That is annexure 2. Details of the last stage, my lord. They change their advocate and say 6 time for further proceedings.
ठीक है, that's right.
Order dated 13/11/2002.
When he filed 205 also, 205.
PS 33 or something. PS 33.
Proceeds.
Order dated 13/11/2023. Recently.
Simply issue notice, let us see.
সেটা আসবে.
Simply issue notice to opposite party number 2.
My lord.
चलो. देखिए. 41. What is the check amount?
check amount 9,30,000, my
Oh,
lord.
he should let us see. If he comes and we'll ask him to pay installment.
At this stage of admission, your lordship dispose of it.
Huh?
Your lordship.
ଆସୁ ସେ ଆସୁ
My
ଏର୍ଲି ହିୟରିଂ କଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ ତ ନୋଟିସ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା।
My lord.
Yes.
Obelix, man.
My lord, here notice was issued to the opposite party number 2, but as per noting that was not
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
sufficient ହେଇନି କି କିଛି return ବି ଆସିନି back.
Serviceability. Serviceability.
My lord.
Serviceability. Interim order is there.
Yes, your lordship. Stay
Interim
of
order to continue.
My lord, another prayer, your lordship, may kindly take up this matter with along with other two CRLMC
Yeah, same party.
in connection with this case, your lordship, this proceeding. Because here
That is
petitioners are
2023 matters.
2023 matter.
Give these numbers and
My lord, CRLMC number.
tag and list.
Yes, lordship.
Tag and list. Okay. Huh? Entry order to continue, await the service of answered respondents. This is the matter along with the so on so on. Next item 42. 42.
A modification of order and extension of time of surrender, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner is a B.Tech student and due to my lord.
No, what I gave the order.
Yes, my lord.
How much time you have?
10 days was given, my lord. Because on the third semester was going on, I have annexed, so unable to surrender, my lord.
By order dated 4/1/2024, this court, while disposing of the CRLMC filed by the petitioner, directed the petitioner to
surrender
to the jurisdiction of the court below and available remedy under law within 10 days. The petitioner could not avail the order within 10 days and has now moved the application being IA number 195 of 2024.
Yes, my lord.
24. Taking into consideration the facts narrated in the application, the time
15 days.
15 days.
15 days.
The further 15 days time is granted to the petitioner to surrender to the jurisdiction of the trial court and avail remedy under law.
My lord, one thing, my lord, here that courts below, here one of the offenses 307. So magistrate has no one courts below, trial courts means courts below कर देले से
court below तो कर देली
से court below खाली है courts below है
courts below कर देली
courts
plural कर देली
yes my lord yes
plural कर दे
courts
is a student
he is a student
when the exam is there
এটা semester টা গলা next আসিयो পুনে third semester গলা
কেবে ଅଛି
ଟିକେ ଆଗକୁ ଅଛି ଏବେ ଏଇ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ସରିଲା ଫେବୃଆରୀ
with he is student of
B.Tech student yes my lord.
Take 1 month then don't take 15 days
yes yes
extend full further 1 month student unnecessary he will be under tension he will spoil it exam
yes my lord.
1 month
and
extended for 1 month
and
courts below
dispose of on the same day my lord.
Don't ask for that. I am giving you 15 days. You
Yes.
ask, I gave 1 month. This is not our jurisdiction.
Yes, sir.
Right?
The courts below itself.
Courts below. Okay. 1 month. Further 1 month.
May I play one thing? Till then, no course because Parikha course.
Earlier, I didn't pass the order in the modification. How can I do that?
Parikha
that won't be.
B.Tech student.
That is the reason I am trying to. Further, if he has any problem, again come, I will extend.
Okay.
That is the only thing I can do.
Always.
Yes.
My lord, may I please lordship, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my humble submission, lordship, my lord. This is a present case, a motivated case. May I invite lordship's kind attention that my lord page annexure 1, my lord. It was, the affair was lodged against me on 15/4/18. I am a deputy commandant, I am the, serving in BSF and border. On 15/4/18, I was reported on that same day, my lord. May I invite your Lordship's kind attention?
Alibi, please.
My lord,
Clear alibi.
your Lordship may invite your Lordship kind attention, page 24, my lord.
24. Okay.
Page 24.
What are the allegations against you?
Only, my lord, I'm it's motivated case. There is no material and record to constitute the offense. So the order rejecting my application for discharge is illegal. That is my whole soul.
That's right. You moved an application at 227.
Yes, it is to 239.
239. Okay.
Because the offenses are
Okay. Then that was turned down.
Yes.
What are the allegations?
Allegation is, my lord, only, my lord, outraging modesty and 379 snatching away chain necklace, but there is no material. The co-villager. My affair is fast, my lord.
You are a defense personnel.
A defense personnel. My lord, my case is only counterblast. My affair is on 14.
You came on holidays, you did all this thing.
My humble submission, I on 14, the present informant scolded my father. I lost the affair on 14th because I was going out to join, and therefore I requested police to protect my old father. That is my allegation annexed to my lord. My lord, when
you filed an FIR.
Yes, on 14th. On 14th.
14th. Yes.
On 15th, the present informant, when I was in the flight to join my duty, he lost the affair on 15th.
When page 24, you are showing me something.
Page 24 is my ticket and office order to join in my duty.
That is on 24. Okay.
Yes, 24. My ticket is next, my lord, 25.
25 ticket.
It's my ticket.
Where from you to
Flight? Calcutta.
Calcutta.
Yes.
Where is this village?
Village.
You took the flight at what time?
A flight written in 15/4 at 5:55:00.
Where is that? You show me 25, huh?
25.
Where is that?
That is flight time in the middle portion.
Yes. 15/4, 2018, 5:55.
5:55.
5:55 in the evening.
Yes. The evening, and my arrival time is next.
No, it is morning.
Yes.
Morning. Because arrival time is 25, 26. What is it? 7.
15/4, 7:25.
When this incident happened?
This incident? There are 15 minutes he lost the affair.
Where is that?
Yes, annexure.
Lodging affair is something different.
Annexure 1.
14 incident happened.
14 happened.
He said, Lord, that she alleged, but that, Lord, actually the occurrence occurred, the annexure 2. The
occurrence is 14, 15 FIR. On 15 only you went.
Lord, he foisted. Because
foisted or not, that will be not.
I lost the affair. I lost the affair on 14.
I thought on the same day you have done it.
Lord, I lost the affair on 14. Thereafter, she lost.
These things are defense.
By foisting, referring
That's
to the.
Right. Maybe foisting, but it needs to be tested in the trial.
But there is no material. It says that gold chain stolen, no material of
Charge has been framed against you.
Frame.
File a revision.
Yes.
File a revision.
Yes, there is a strong presumption.
File a revision. If you have a complaint against the order of charge, then the revision is the jurisdiction.
And there is no injury report, nothing, my lord.
Maybe you file. Learned counsel for the petition seeks to withdraw this petition to challenge the order dated by which charge has been framed. Order dated.
Order is 24/8. 22/3/23.
22/3/2023 by which charge by which his application under section 239 CRPC has been turned down and charge has been framed against him. He would prefer to file a revision petition against the said order. Therefore, therefore, by reserving his right to urge all the points before the revisional court, he seeks to withdraw this petition. seeks to withdraw this petition, with this liberty, the petition is disposed of. Okay. Thank you.
No, the original copy, certified copy may be written substituting the photocopy. Certified copy.
You filed in the revision, forget about it.
May this please the external court.
In the electronics time, what certified copy? Here.
May this please the external court, my lord. The petitioners are cultivators, my lord. Neighbors intercede. They filed a suit against me that was rejected. And next one, order passed in 2012, my lord. After that, he went on harassing me.
You want the trial to be expedited?
My lord, only lordship direct the SDM to complete the trial with short time. That is all my prayer.
When was the FIR?
FIR was that is 2 GR cases. One is in 12 and the other is in 16.
Charge sheet is filed, huh?
They have charge sheet has been filed. Trial in proceeding. One is from 12 and other is 16.
This is you can't file. This is for.
I am an informant. I am being harassed. That's
right. But which case you are talking about?
Sir, both the cases. Both the GR cases to be completed, sir. I am informant.
One proceeding you are.
मांगे मु फाइल करछि मो गोटे भाई मो भाई रो स्त्री फाइल करछि आ गोटे भाई फाइल करछन्ती आई कैन सी नेबर से माने प्रोटेक्ट करछन ये जीआर केस त मो चाष करबे ना आई कैन कोर्ट कटिरी अटेंड करि दैट इज ओनली
नहीं फर्स्ट जीआर केस इज व्हिच वन
अगेन नेक्स्ट टू टा हो जी जीआर केस 151/12 and second GR case is 604 of
first GR case is
so 151/12 sir
151/12 next is
604/16 sir
604 of
16 16 again ଏଇଟା ଶୀଘ୍ର
GR case ରେ କିଏ informant
second GR case ରେ ମୋ wife is the informant
the names
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir
you should have filed two petitions
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିଟା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଥମଟା ଏଫଆଇଆର ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା ହେଉଛି ପଞ୍ଚାନନ ସାହୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବିନୋଦ ସାହୁ ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ ସାର୍ ପଞ୍ଚାନନ ସାର୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ ପଞ୍ଚାନନ ସାର୍
ପଞ୍ଚାନନ and
ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ ପଞ୍ଚାନନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସାନ ଭାଇ ପଞ୍ଚାନନ ବଡ
please clarify me first GR case is filed by whom
ପଞ୍ଚାନନ one of the brothers
Panchanan.
Again.
That is petition of one.
Again.
Second is filed by
the same Panchanan and Binod, both the brothers.
And who is this Srimati Vilas Sahu?
Vilas Sahu is Binod's wife, sir. Say wife.
What is she? Why she has
a housewife?
But why she has filed the petition?
Because
anybody can't come to the court and say that he expedite some.
No, sir.
Who is she?
She suit file करता against the both the brothers. Brother को she suit हारी गला injection refuse गला.
Again, all these things are correct, but try to understand. You are asking expeditious disposal of a trial of a particular case.
But
for then you are interjecting in between the two suit and two cases and all. For every individual case, you should have filed 1482. You can't file 1482 to redress grievance of many cases.
Sir, only
who is informant? You don't know.
Annex
in which case?
Sir, mung kohuchi na oda na pade.
Annex 51. You see, you come to your. I have been struggling hard. Come to the first page.
Again.
You said you have given.
Sir, page 12 go dekhantu sir. Page 12 annex 2 te sir.
Come to the first page.
Again.
GR case number 151/2012.
Again.
ठीक है गुटे
yes sir
second case ला GR case number 604 of 2016
again
तीनटा petitioner अछंती ये तीनटा किए तार आर इन्फॉर्मेंट किए आर एक्यूज किए nobody knows
sir it like कैसे के second page रे
कहीं एक्यूज माने कहां थी
Again, accused matter page
I will
13.
expedite the trial without.
Nice, sir. Accused matter page 13 रे लिखा है names of the accused, sir.
See the memo of party. Have you implemented them? Because you have two cases. You are asking expeditious disposal of trial of two cases.
Sir.
And informants of both the cases has to be there. And
Sir.
accused of both the cases has to be there.
Sir, I cannot implement them because they are in a GR case. State is the party, not the complainant, not the accused. State is the accused. State is the correct party in a GR case, sir. Both the cases are GR being GR.
You will not implicate accused. You will not implicate.
No, I said complaint cases sir thila GR को जब convert हैला that state became the necessary party, sir. That is my humble assumption.
State को copy भी किस देना है केवल petition था.
Petition.
ताले गोटे केस रे गोटे 482 रे आपण दुईटा केस रो एक्सटेंड ट्रायल मागु चलती.
सर एक सर 2 नंबर एनेक्स टाइम
गोटे केस होती 2012 रो केस आउट होती 2016
सर 2012 टा कॉस्ट करा जाओ आई विल कम अगेन फॉर द अदर केस सर विथ लॉर्डशिप काइंडनेस.
Who is then the informant in
Panchanan
2012 case?
Panchanan, sir.
Panchanan. Who are the accused?
Sir, accused is sir. Accused होचुंदी sir 7 जन अछंदी accused जगह पेज 13 रे लिखा है तांगा ना सब. थोड़ा
चार्जशीट के फाइल है 2012 केस रे.
सर चार्जशीट टा फाइल ही सर. सीजर लिस्ट see 2000 June 12 file is sir.
Charge sheet
forms a part of the seizure list is a part of the charge sheet, sir. Okay.
That's a date contract. Date कहले तो हम देखियो ना charge sheet के file इसी से हिसाब रे कितने delay हला देखियो.
Sir next आउ गोटे दिन रो मु आनी के इंडेटेड.
आपण काम करंतु ए दीटा जिंस रे आपण एक्चुअली दीटा पिटिशन फाइल करे कथा.
आज्ञा सर.
तार तो गोटे करचंती किंतु आपण को तो जणा पड़िबो ना आपण एति कहबे कि भाई एति तार चार्ज शीट फाइल हला तापर चार्ज शीट रे हम देखिबा केतरा विटनेस होछन. सपोज मु कहि दिबी 2 मास भीतर कंप्लीट कर दियो. चार्ज शीट रे 100 थिबे विटनेस केमति करिया
सर मु सर
पॉसिबल नहीं.
I will give the order sheet copy जो तरह की specifically they have all entered appearance to indicate to facilitate the process direction of the
right, and you must know also how many witnesses are cited by the prosecutor.
Sir.
So there should be a order which is practically implementable.
Sir, I will do that.
देखो तो कितने witnesses होते. Simply I am adjourning it. I'll just try and find
sir.
It. Okay. Simply adjourn. खाली witness गुड़ा का कितने होते देखिए.
हाँ सर.
के हिसाब रे हमें order पास.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर.
केबे दरकार आपनु.
Sir 1 week after असुमो नहीं है.
आप 1 week पर देखिए टाइम. खाली you just tell me how many witnesses are there.
आज्ञा.
So first case I will allow.
हाँ सर.
Second case we'll see.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
There we go.
Copy टे दियंतु.
Sir मु देइछि petition copy देइछि annex देइछि मु.
Petition खाली because he'll verify. He'll verify.
आज्ञा sir मु देइ.
Very
मोड दे दो.
Copy file.
And you see order dated 12th January 2024, my lord.
When you before you start, if you are laughing, then that makes it difficult. But you are convinced that there is no case.
No.
So that's the reason you start laughing before you start arguing.
A matter of settlement, there is no.
Achha, settlement. No.
My lord, your lordship was pleased to issue notice to the opposite party number 2, my lord. But
opposite party number 2.
But what I have seen from cause list, notice has returned onshore, my lord.
Just please take it up.
But and also your lordship directed to for the personal appearance of the both the petitioners. But in the meantime, on 2nd February, petitioner met an accident, my lord.
How did it never?
This is the I have obtained also medical certificate, my lord. May I pray your lordship may fix keep it after 15 days, my lord.
Address left without instruction. Address left.
I will search, my lord. Where she is, will
I'll simply adjourn. You take
my lord. My lord.
Make sure that parties are present.
My humble prayer, your lordship.
Online, they can appear online also. Why should they come to the court?
Physically, she will appear, my lord.
Whatever you feel free.
My humble prayer, your lordship.
12, 13.
No, my lord, because she's under he is under treatment.
Only Kudiye?
26th, my lord, 26th of February, my lord.
26. Make sure that they come, we'll finish,
My lord.
yes.
46, my lords, your lordships are pleased to issue notice by Dasti.
Hmm.
Dasti was refused, my lords. May I pray will take by special messenger. He refused to take it by Dasti. By special messenger, my
Dasti notice was given.
Dasti notice was issued. He refused to take it. Sir.
The notice was issued to opposite party number 2 to be served by ordinary process and Dasti as well.
My lords.
Then counsel for the petitioner submits that he refused to accept notice. The opposite party number 2 refused to
refused.
accept notice when Dasti service was attempted.
My lords.
Therefore, he wants
Special messenger.
to serve opposite party number 2 through
Special messenger of the court.
Okay. It is accordingly directed.
My lords.
Okay.
That's next
Returnable?
week, my lords. May I pray? Next
Date-
week. 16th.
16. Okay.
Grateful.
47.
May I plead lordship? Offences
Yeah.
under lordship 294, 323, 498, 506 lordship.
Yes.
Uh,
What happened? What do you want?
Lordship quashed the FIR lordship, mother-in-law lordship. The null and void the marriage lordship, annexer 2 lordship 11 page number. And
Vitra Guntar.
lordship,
You are the
mother-in-law lordship,
mother-in-law of opposite party number 2.
lordship,
What do you want quashing?
lordship.
Why?
Lordship, the FIR is not maintainable lordship. The case, the civil proceeding is null and void the lordship marriage. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚିହ୍ନିନି କି ଜାଣିନି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 2ଟା FIR ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଇଛି ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ ପାଖରେ ଆସିକି ବାଡାବାଡି କରିକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଧମକ ଚମକ ଦେଇ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ ନାଁରେ ମିଛ କେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାପରେ
Marriage has been declared nullity
lordship,
because they said they didn't believe that the marriage had taken place.
lordship,
So see, according to you, the opposite party number 2 was not validly married to the son of the petitioner.
lordship,
That's what you are.
lordship, and the earlier lordship,
So we will
was
issue
the-
notice only.
Issue notice.
lordship, and the earlier dispute 4890 quash lordship the sister-in-law, my lord, lordship,
Sister-in-law,
lordship,
sister-in-law ର quash ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଇଏ mother-in-law.
आज तो notice है तो
Notice କରିକି stay କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ.
lordship,
Notice and stay.
lordship. I lordship further proceeding lordship,
That's what I'm doing. If you
Lord.
don't want, stay.
no lordship, want,
You want to stay or don't want to stay?
oh I want lordship,
I'm doing that. Why are you?
lordship,
And don't fold your hands like this.
lordship,
You are a lawyer.
lordship,
You maintain the dignity of a lawyer.
lordship,
Why are you reporting? You are pleading for your client. So if I am passing some order, I am not doing any grudge to you. If you have a merit, I am passing. If you don't have merit, I will not pass the order.
lordship,
Why are you folding your hands? Don't even do that in the court.
no lordship.
Okay. Let counsel for the by way of this petition, petitioner is seeking the indulgence of this court under 482 CRPC, seeking quashing of the criminal prosecution against the petitioner, who is the alleged mother-in-law of opposite party number 2. He submits that the suit filed by the son of the petitioner against the opposite party number 2, seeking declaration that there is no marriage marriage taking place between them, has successfully been decreed by the court below. Full stop. In the meantime, the sister-in-law of the opposite party number 2 has also approached this court for seeking seeking quashing up of the FIR in subject. The coordinate bench, while allowing the CRLMC 1482 of 2021, while its judgment dated 30th January 2023, has been pleased to quash the criminal proceeding initiated by the opposite party number 2 against the petitioner, namely the sister-in-law of the opposite party number 2. The opposite party number 2. Next order. Issue notice to the opposite party number 2, returnable within 2 weeks. Consent page written within 2 weeks. I लिखो taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and circumstances of the case, the proceeding, further proceeding in GR case number 116 of 2017, pending in the court of JMFC. Which court?
JMFC Cog 4 Lordship. Transfer Lordship.
So-
City Court to transfer to
Yes.
Cog 4.
Higher huh? Is stayed
Urgent.
till next, till further, till next date of it.
Urgent. Get that.
They did.
40.
Take it.
Deep-
File the process and all.
Lordship. Deep level.
Yes.
49.
49, I pay 1 week time to do removal of
Urgent.
separate one.
50.
Pass over.
51.
I paid for time, my lord, because I'm suffering from leg pain, my lord. I'm unable to walk. Therefore,
Yes.
I came to my residence. my lord.
Mr. Das, yes,
Yes,
what do
my
you
lord.
want?
Yes, sir. I'm either your lordship will keep it for tomorrow, my lord, otherwise, or else next week, my lord. I am suffering, I'm not there for last 5 days, my lord. Your lordship will keep it tomorrow or next week, your lordship desire, my lord.
You want an adjournment?
My lord. For tomorrow, it will be better.
Okay, urgent. We'll see whether we can accommodate to
All right,
which
my lord.
earliest date.
I'm
Urgent.
suffering my leg pain, my lord. Therefore, I'm not asking.
It's all right. We are,
Highly worried, my
we
lord.
had simply adjourning it, okay?
I'm aged to 73, my lord. That is all.
We will indicate a date, you please
All right.
take it up, okay?
52.
This is the Belgium matter, my lord. Environmental issued, my lord, 10/8/2017, my
Speak
lord.
loudly.
Belgium matter, my lord. Environmental was issued, my lord.
When you got the bail?
Bail, my lord, 28/12/2015, my lord. 28/12/2015.
2012-2015.
Bail was granted.
When the NBW?
NBW issued, my lord, 10/8/2017, my lord.
10/8/2017. Why you came late to this court?
That,
25th February surrender करियो. Honor report 25th February surrender करियो and avail the bail under law. And 1,000.
I don't, my lord. In cost title, my lord, the name of the court has wrongly mentioned, my lord. STM on go.
File 2-page petition and in that 2 page also there is mistake. What is this?
JMC bond for my lord.
What?
STM on go, my lord, wrongly mentioned, my lord. Instead of JMC bond for my lord.
Prayer conduct.
Prayer, my lord.
Same Anugul.
Pardon, my lord.
Then counsel for the petition submits that in the petition in place of SDGM.
STM on go instead of JMC Bonpal. JMC Bonpal is right, my lord.
JMFC.
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 Bonpal. Bonarpal.
Bonpal. SDGM Anugul has been mentioned. He seeks to seek permission of this court to correct the same in the court. He may do so in the court by countersigning the corrected part. তারপরে সেই অর্ডার লিখে দেবে এটা কারেকশন করতে হবে অনুকূল জায়গায় you correct it now countersign it immediately. Yes.
53.
Withdraw.
53 withdraw.
Withdraw.
54.
Your Lordship, in item 54, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Sarthak Naik, counsel for CBI, Your Lordship. Due to some personal difficulty, he is unable to appear today.
Adjourned.
May I pray for tomorrow, Your Lordship? We are ready with the instructions and the arguments.
Tomorrow can't be because we'll see. Tomorrow.
As Your Lordship pleases.
Any other date, madam?
Okay, next.
Any other date?
Any other?
Much obliged.
55.
56.
56.
May I please the resolution? Belgium matter, my lord.
Yes, when you got the
Bail was granted on 30th 8/22
30th 8/22,
and NBW issued on 12/12/22.
12/12/22,
22, my lord.
1,000. 1,000.
Yes, my lord.
How many of you?
Only one, my lord.
1,000.
Obliged. Well, can it be 500?
Hmm?
500. Because yesterday was a matter.
If your junior would have come 500, why have you come? You don't give opportunity to your juniors in small matters. You must send your juniors, na?
Last day I forgot to mention that Belgium matter. That person was a lady married and a widow. ସେଇଟାକୁ ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ adjust କରିଛି. Obligement, obliged. Deep obliged.
Yes.
Honor before my surrender.
25th February.
Deep obliged.
58.
Your Lordship, in item 58, CBI is the opposite party. Your Lordship, they have not yet served the copy of the petition.
Because we have already served them the copy since January 2nd, my lords.
Have you served to the
He
correct?
says he served the copy.
And the clerk has signed it, my lords. Already filed the memo of that also, my lords.
Your Lordship, may I pray for an adjournment, Your Lordship?
You see, simply urgent. Don't make the plea.
May-
Long plea for adjournment.
May I pray one thing?
Clerical mistake. Your
Collect, if you don't have the copy, collect from his office. I am
sir.
simply adjourning it.
My lords, may I pray one thing, my lords? It's for recall of a witness, my lords. The trial is at the fag end and there is no adjournment been granted by the trial court, my lord, despite the fact that we have mentioned.
See, it is then the matter will be infructuous.
Your
It is
Lordship,
posted for accused statement, my lords.
Your Lordship, there was earlier another application filed by them which was disposed of by this honorable court.
My
Your
lords, it is for 4401.
Your Lordship
For
is simply
witness of
adjourning
PW 8 and 19.
Same witness.
No. My lords, PW 8 and 19. This is PW 21, my lords. He is the IO, my lords, in the case.
What are the, where is the application?
Application with regard, my lords?
311 application.
My lords, application is not there, but the order copy we have annexed, my
No,
lords.
you have to show me the application, relevant questionnaires.
No, he has not been cross-examined once also. Not a question has been asked, my lords.
Where is that his statement?
My lords, your lordship may see, can I have the glance at page number 13? That is order dated 10/11/2023, your lordship.
Why he is been
My lords, on that day, that is on 26/9/2023, we pressed for a time, my lords, on the ground that a CLMC has been filed with regard to recall of witness of PW 8 and 19, and we prayed that let them be first cross-examined, thereafter we'll cross-examine the IO, my lords, because PW 19 was the fingerprint expert, my lords, so the expert opinion, my lords. Hence, his cross-examination was necessary to examine this IO, my lords, who has arraigned me as an accused on the basis of.
You move an application before the trial court for adjournment.
My lords, I filed, my lords, on that day my lords, on for first occasion he came, my lords, and we wanted some time, my lords. 26/9. Thereafter, on the next day, that is on 5/10, my lords.
Place it, then lease it on 9th.
I'm much
9th.
obliged.
I'm
Much.
leasing it on 9th.
Much obliged, lordship.
See, I'll tell you what he submit. Did you follow what he's saying?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
300. You understood now? You just conveyed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
59.
May please, your lord. My lord, it's a now it's a Belgium matter, my lord. I am submitting the warrant order, my lord.
What are you showing?
My lord, order of NBW, my lord.
You have challenged NBW order. You have not filed it, huh?
No, my lord, I have not challenged the NBW order.
Then what do you want?
My lord, now, my lord, NBW has been issued. The present petitioners were on bail, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, a petition filed by the opposite party before the learned trial court that to recall that anticipatory bail order. In that petition, my lord, the learned trial court had issued someone to us, my lord. We have not appeared before the learned trial court. And meantime, my lord, warrant has been issued, my lord.
No, anyway, warrant has been issued. You go and appear and
Yes.
seek remedy.
Yes, my lord. Earlier they were on bail, my lord. It's a bail.
Right, I understand it. Look, the petitioner seeking quashing of which order?
Again,
Gives you your support. Order dated
my lord, order dated, my lord, 19/12/2023, my lord.
19/12/2023, whereby NBW has been issued against him, or how many of you?
My lord, 3 petitions, my lord, there.
Against them.
Yes, my lord.
He contends that earlier all of the accused persons were on anticipatory bail. However, the informant, that is opposite party number 2, moved an application seeking cancellation of the pre-arrest bail granted to them.
Yes.
On the said application, summons were issued, and the petitioners did not appear. Therefore, the NBW was issued against them.
Yes, ma'am.
He seeks indulgence of this court. On instruction, next paragraph. On instruction, the counsel for the petitioner submits that his client would be appearing before the court below on or before 25th of February 2024, and seek remedy available to them under law. With this undertaking, taking into consideration the submission made at the bar and facts of the present case, the order dated 19/12/2023 is kept in abeyance till 25th of February 2024 to 24, and the petitioners are directed to appear before the court below and seek remedy. It's available to them. Subject to paying cost of rupees 1,000. This order is subject to paying cost of 1,000. You go and appear, and you are anticipatory bail, you will get it. Whatever.
My lord, they have issued summons, my lord.
That's right. I understand. Anticipatory bail was granted. They moved some application now for recalling that anticipatory bail.
Yes, yes.
Summons were issued to you. You didn't go.
Yes.
NBW is issued.
Yes.
You go and appear. You will get the bail. What is the big thing? I have kept it in abeyance. Go and appear.
Item 60, I am here, my lord. My lord, my 143A petition partly allowed, my lord, of NI Act. My lord, you can glance to.
Partly allowed.
My lord.
You
Only
are,
1%.
you are a
No, I am the informant. Informant, my lord. Only 1%, my lord.
1%.
Just
It's changing.
instead of 20%, maximum 20% is a loss, yes, my lord. 143A2.
What is the amount?
The amount is 45 lakhs, my lord. Only 45,000 has been allowed.
Increase up that percentage 1 to somewhere in between 20.
My lord.
That's what you want.
My lord.
It is a discretion of the court.
Yes, my lord.
Then a discretionary order will not be interfered by 482 court.
My lord, that is the amount, my lord, for up to 20%.
Then the trial court has exercised its discretion whether in a discretionary order exercised by the trial court, 482 court should interfere.
482 court is the inherent power, my lord.
Inherent power
everywhere. My lord,
Don't say these words. See the trial court, see the mandate of the act is 20% maximum.
Maximum.
Ranging from 20% maximum, ranging from 1% to 20%. 138 case, 44 lakhs. He said 1% you deposit. The trial court has exercised its jurisdiction, discretionary jurisdiction. The range is 1 to 20. Once the trial court exercises the discretion, why 482 court should interfere?
Well, this is my amount. And what is the prejudice to the what is the prejudice to the?
Yes, right to appeal. Maybe the trial court might have felt it that the is a better appeal. So that's the reason for 1%. I can see when was the
It is an interrogatory order, my lord.
Right.
Your lordship may issue notice that your lordship may.
Will you agree with the little lesser than the check amount?
He did not agree anything. He denied my signature. He denied everything else. He denied.
What to do?
But the instrument is in my hand. And the
better you prosecute the appeal. That's a better idea. Instead of wasting your time here.
Your lordship may issue notice there, your lordship.
What will you get out of it? Okay, issue notice. Let us see. If he comes, then we will persuade him to issue notice. Opposite party gets to. Oh, no, sole opposite.
Sole opposite.
March somewhere in March. Yes. You will not ask stay in this case because it is your appeal.
No,
Shall I stay?
no, sir.
You sought indulgence of this court, I'll stay.
No, no.
Okay.
My
Let
lord,
the appeal proceed so that let us see. Okay.
my lord, in item number 61, there is compromise in between party and both party are present before your lordship, but now they are in a queue in past.
Okay, 2 o'clock.
My lord, my lord.
We'll pass it over.
My lord.
Okay, no problem. Yes.
62.
62.
Adjournment
Somebody mentioned in the morning.
My lord, I am for the complainant, Lord.
No problem.
No problem, no problem.
It was
He has,
mentioned.
he has requested.
Okay.
My
No
lord.
problem.
Only prayer is, my lord, one IA has been filed. They may serve the
The
copy.
copies.
My lord. Oblige.
63 May, please, my lord. Today I'm appearing for the opposite part number 2, my lord.
Settlement.
I also, my lord, appearing through virtual last order there, my lord.
Yes. What was the order?
Your Lordship, the last order.
There are so many orders. What is?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this case about?
Your Lordship, this case pertains to the sale of a tractor, Your Lordship. Allegation is that since we have not provided them with the original papers.
Okay. I
Yes,
recall.
if Your Lordship remembers. So Your Lordship had directed after so many instances, the informant never bothered to appear, Your Lordship. When Your Lordship had directed that the IAC will take pertinent steps to make him appear in this court, he has entered a appearance.
Where is the original paper?
Your Lordship, my instructions is that original paper has been given to him and he has signed an endorsement to that effect. The petitioner is present in the court and is just on his legs, Your Lordship. So Your Lordship, we pass it over.
My lord, I received a letter from the notice from the IIC. With your lordship may peruse the notice itself, my lord.
What does it say? The IIT is here.
Yes, my lord. The note
What does it say?
for objection of the bail, my lord. Primarily, that is what the notice speaks of.
Bail.
No, he has only said that you come and appear.
My lord.
So I want to find out some way out and finish it up.
My lord. So in that case,
it
my
appears to be a misunderstanding.
my lord. So in
You
that,
need this original document.
my lord, may I draw my lord's attention?
Where is that original document?
Your Lordship, the original document has once been taken by the informant, Your Lordship. He has signed an endorsement to that effect.
That is not on record, my lord. I am disputing it and
That will produce
Seized by
the record.
seized by the police.
no, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, may I draw my lord's attention to the judgment, the order which they are challenging, running
Don't
with.
bring technicality into it. Simply say she is agreed by only one thing, that
Yes,
she has a truck but she doesn't have the original papers.
I have a
Yes.
truck, my lord. I do not have the original document.
Either the original paper would be there with you or police might have seen it. I want to locate that original paper and give it
For
and pass it.
For that,
Finish.
your recipe, directly the IO to appear on
Yes.
in person, my lord.
Mr. What is this?
IAC.
Mr. Barik.
Sir, Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, Namaskar.
Where is the original paper of this truck?
ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट जो नेशनल मोटर्स थिला ता मालिक जो हम अक्यूज देइनाती हमरो नाइदर कंपनी बैंक को देइनाती कि पार्टी की भी देइना
आपण सीज करनांती ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट तांको घरु
नहीं हमें पुलिस सीज करनी
हैं
सीज करी नहीं
किंतु से सर्टिफिकेट कॉपी रे गुट देखाउतला आपण कोड सीज करचंती कोई व्हाट आर दैट
Caesar list, Your Lordship.
Seizure list indicate that you have seized these documents. Is
some
it true?
documents but not RC the original RC book सीज है नहीं original RC सीज है नहीं
Your Lordship, if I may clarify, Your Lordship. Your last occasion, Your Lordship said order, even if the sale certificate had not been seized, Your Lordship, we had been directed to produce a copy of the same, Your Lordship. So the petitioner himself is on his legs and present in the court today, Your Lordship. So if Your Lordship may pass it over, he will produce the sale certificate. Your
Sales certificate दे देला गाड़ी registration है जो सर जो कैसे
My lord, this is a matter of 2007, my lord. I have not been given my registration certificate since 2007, for which I could not make use of the said vehicle.
He has been using that truck. He has not been legally using that truck, but he is very.
How can my lord, without having a registration?
All that you are interested in your vehicle to be registered, that's all.
My lord,
I'll impose a little cost and pay you. Be happy. You are using the car.
My lord, I am not
Only,
I have not
only
been able.
allegation is it could not be registered because the original documents are either with
Sale
him or
document, my
not.
lord, sir.
Much
Sale
obliged.
document.
My lord, the vehicle is not in a position to be made use of because my lord, since 2007,
There in your position.
Your lordship,
it is in my position, my lord, but the same could not be used because of non-registration, my lord.
Now it will be registered.
My lord, it is in a condition which cannot be used, my lord. So what I suggest,
Those things through this criminal prosecution, you can't untwist and get recovered.
my lord, that would be decided at the stage of trial because it is
Whether
a
it is usable or not, that will be decided.
no, my lord, no, my lord.
You send him into.
My lord, because they are
Supposing you successful, you are sent him to jail.
my lord,
Then what will you get?
my lord, even if the court's observation, if my
their
lord
interest in the CRLMC was not there only. After 16 appearances, when there has been a direction to the IIT, now their interest is arising.
Why are you interested to prosecute him?
my lord, not for prosecuting him, my lord. The only contention is if my lord comes to running page number 15 of their petition.
Yes, 15, just see. 15.
15. Heard both sides, my lord.
Yes.
Heard both sides, perused the case record along with all connecting materials. The allegation against the accused person is that they have taken the signature of the informant in some blank paper and forms towards preparation of the document for sale of tractor to him, leading to cheating the informant by forging the documents. The informant has lodged FIR on the ground of non-receipt of original document, whereas the accused person have communicated to the concerned bank that the document have been delivered to the informant in case cognizance, my lord. So my sole case depends that I have not been delivered with the document for which I could not make use of the tractor since 2007. And my lord, although for grant of the loan amount, I have given certain signature in blank papers, my lord. They have executed them to be received of those documents, my lord. This is a clear case of 420, my lord. So that may be decided.
Technically, you may be correct.
Yes, my lord.
But I just want to find out a solution.
My lord, solution at this stage, my lord, what I may suggest that they, because I have not made use of the said vehicle till date. The said vehicle may be.
Is it relevant for the purpose of the criminal case whether you made use or not made?
That may be taken.
They manipulated the document or not? That's the question.
Yes, my lord.
That's the question. Okay. Whether they have taken blank paper and got misused that or not.
Yes, my lord. That is the subject matter of the trial, my lord.
But your the sole grievance of yours is I have the truck, but I since I don't have the original paper, as a result of which I could not get it registered.
Could not. Yes, my lord. Registered and could not make use of, my lord.
Not could not make use of it. Make
for
use
which
of it,
it is
make
not in
use
a
of
condition.
it is not there anywhere. But
my lord,
but that apart,
my lord, without having
we are finding out a solution for getting your vehicle registered.
Yes, my lord.
Registered. And if you are satisfied with that, we will close it.
My lord,
Why are you closing your?
my lord, because at this stage the loan amount has interest on it. I have not made use of the truck since 2007. I had availed the truck for my.
File a damage suit.
Damage should paper.
Never.
In the criminal prosecution, you can't seek damage by arm twisting. You file a damage suit.
My lord, I'll file a counter. I'll file a counter.
Counter, your lordship, we are ready with the copy of the sale certificate. We are ready.
Sale certificate is there. Why?
Sale certificate is there, my lord.
That
I'm not disputing, my lord. I'm disputing.
Basically, you want damage.
I want.
Damage.
Yes, my lord.
By prosecuting this.
No, my lord.
Then?
So, my lord.
Damage, you will get it from the civil court only. You file a damage suit. Because of his her conduct, you could not use the vehicle. And you incur loss. That's your whole case?
My lord, my whole case is this is a pure case of 420, my lord, because the ingredient itself suffice the ingredient of section 420. Because, my lord, they have maliciously taken my signature and they have projected it, my lord. So those points may be raised at the stage of trial, my lord, not at 482. That is my contention.
Technically, you may be correct, but I was thinking of putting the entire thing into rest.
Yes,
by facilitating you for the registration of the vehicle. And if you have any grievance left, you can have other remedy for damages and all, or I can put them to little terms. And the vehicle has been with you throughout.
That
There
may
is
be
no doubt
taken
about
up.
it. How do you know that whether used
I'll opt
or
an instruction.
not used and all?
I'll opt an instruction to that effect.
Once the IAC had been directed on the last occasion to ascertain whether the vehicle was in a usable condition. So there
Yes,
he
madam.
had given an instruction to the state council that the vehicle is very much there and
Yes,
they are using it.
Mr. Barik,
Sir, namaskar.
you tell me whether the vehicle which was there with this informant was put to use or not by the informant. He has been using it?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଦେଖିଲି ଗାଡି ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ରହିକି ସେଟା ଗଛ ଘାସ ଉଠିଗଲାଣି କଳଙ୍କି ଲାଗିକି ଏଟା ନନ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଦିନରୁ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଇକି ପଡିକି ଥିବାର ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ କି ଏଟା ୟୁଜ୍ ହଉଛି ବୋଲି ଭେହିକଲ ୟୁଜ୍ ହଉଛି ବୋଲି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
କିଛି ନାହିଁ whole problem ହଉଛି
That is my
ଆଜ୍ଞା whole problem
Keep it for final hearing then.
My lord.
put it for final hearing.
Yes, sir.
Obliged.
But still you can persuade your client to put an end to it.
My lord.
Because you are not going to, even if you send him to jail, you can't get anything.
Yes, madam.
What you can get is you can file a recovery suit or by way of damages and all. Then you may be financially benefited. But this arm twisting method will not.
I know, my lord. Supreme Court has been consistent enough to.
Supreme Court is consistent.
In saying that civil cases should not be.
Pursuing you to put an end to it.
My lord, I'll obtain instruction to that effect.
Shall I send you to mediation center?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
I'll send both of you to mediation center.
We agree
See,
to
the only grievance what he has is, though the vehicle was with him throughout,
My lord.
because of your conduct, it could not be registered. As a result of which he could not use it. He was deprived to use. He obtained loan and got the vehicle for his use. But you have done something as a result of which he could not use. So he wants some kind of a compensation. If you can pay some compensation, the criminal case we can stop.
Your Lordship, please send this to mediation.
Mediation along
It
with
is
the bank
agreeable.
officials, my lord.
Huh?
Along with the bank, my lord.
What bank official will do?
Particular case, Your Lordship. How will they be added as a?
Why bank official?
My lord, because. My lord, because the loan was sanctioned from bank, my lord. So he had to deposit the receipt to the bank as stated.
Yes, stretching too much.
My lord, it may go to the mediation, my lord.
Let it be heard.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let it be.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
You will get nothing out of it.
My lord, it may go to mediation, my lord. As my lord suggested, it may go to
We
mediation.
put it for final hearing and the interim order may be extended, Your Lordship.
Interim order to continue. Interim order is there
Yes,
already.
Your Lordship.
Interim
Yes,
order.
the
My lord, may I pray, there might be a possibility as my lord suggested for mediation. So
That's what I'm saying.
My lord, it may go for
If
mediation.
you get some money, then it is a beneficial today.
Yes, my lord.
And by prosecuting him and
I'm
sending
agreeing,
him
my
to jail, you are not going to.
I'm agreeing for the
Nobody
mediation.
knows how many years it will take.
My lord.
Now you are getting a vehicle registered
Yes, my lord.
after the document which he is giving.
My lord.
Take it and
So no, she may direct for mediation.
local they're better. It will better my lord district mediation center.
District mediation or high
No,
court?
Your Lordship. High Court mediation.
High Court.
District mediation.
High Court mediation, Your Lordship. Since
prefer where?
Your Lordship, since matter arises out of a CRLMC,
You
that's
are the
pending over here.
accused. You will not choose the complainant will choose.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, but that is what is our
No,
right
no,
to
no,
wait.
no. You are the accused.
Yes, my
You
lord.
please.
District mediation center.
Complainant will choose.
District mediation center.
District.
Better.
I'll pass the order.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
For the benefit of both of the lawyers.
For the parties, my lord.
Also lawyers.
300 kilometer assessment.
Take the precious advice of sir.
My lord, I'll take advice of my learned senior, but my lord, my client may not.
Okay, please stick to it. No problem.
Highly obliged.
Because complainant, see, we are trying to address the grievance of the complainant.
Till then, my lord, this matter will be kept pending with the interim order.
It will be pending. Awaiting the mediation report, I'll keep it pending.
My lord.
I'll keep it pending.
Personal appearance of the IO mediation.
The personal appearance of IO is dispensed with.
My lord, I have filed my power. That might be reflected. Obliged.
We have also provided Your Lordship with a copy of the sales certificate that may be kept on record, Your Lordship.
Sale certificate.
Yes,
Pursuant to the direction of this court dated 19/1/2024, the petitioners have filed the sale certificate.
Copy of the sale.
Copy of the sale certificate, which is taken on record.
Yeah.
And further, I'll pass the order.
My lord, notice
Who is
by,
this? Is that?
my lord,
Mayurvansh.
Mayurvansh.
I'll pass the order.
My lord, notice by the ISC.
Huh?
Notice by the ISC which given.
Sorry?
Notice by the ISC, my lord, which I had given.
So that I.
Notice ta achi na.
It's all right. Now the senior counsels are waiting behind you.
My lord.
Give the space to them.
Obliged, my lord.
Give the space. Yes. Yes.
My lords, here is a case where, my lords, this is a case under 306. The person commits suicide after 6 months for non-payment of purported dues by a company. The petitioners are the employees of the company. The prosecution case is that this...
You might have pressured the...
My lords, no allegation to that effect. There was an investigation, my lords, an FIR was lodged. What had happened, my lords? The deceased had gone on behalf of his brother to work in Jammu and Kashmir. And my lords, the company was executing the works out there. And my lords, the other company was supposed to make certain payments. Then Corona came in, my lords, he came back to Berhampur, my lords. And he stayed for, after a period of 8 months, he commits suicide. Now, after some days, suddenly the brother wakes up and says he must have committed suicide because of some pressure given by the company. Now, his brother actually is to receive the money. Then there's an investigation by the police. They say it is not based on any facts. It is dismissed. Now, my lords, a protest petition is filed, which is in the nature of a complaint petition. In the complaint petition also, my lords, no allegation of 306. What they say that it must have been done, there must have been pressure. Initially, the police had also given a report that because of family disputes, he has committed suicide. Anyway, we are not getting into that. Your lordships, I'll take your lordships to the 202 inquiry and the, my lords.
Statement at 202.
Statement of under 202.
Yes.
If your lordship says, additional
What is the
affidavit.
stage? It is now only cognizance.
It is there.
Yes.
My lords, your lordship says, initial statement of the complainant recorded under 200
Page,
CRP.
which page?
Page 34 of the additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit. Okay. Additional affidavit. Flag B. Yes. 34.
Page 34. I am the complainant of the case. I filed this case against Ravindra Kumar Singh Chauhan, Chandrasekhar Dikshit, and Pramod Sharma. I am the proprietor of Dora Construction. I have taken project work of Afcons Limited, Jammu and Kashmir, Khadi Tahsil in the year 2014.
It is the brother.
This is a brother. I used to work for Afcons company till 2020, but in the middle of 2020, due to COVID issues, I have stopped my work for them. My brother Sanjay Dora was also working for said Afcons company as the in-charge foreman. I have authorized my late brother to take care of all the financial needs for the said company work. The company members have cleared some dues for the project work, but when we asked for the rest dues, they have started harassing my brother. On dated 2/9/2020 at about 10:30 p.m., one labor engaged in the said project work called me and informed that the Tahsildar, local passenger and company people had taken my brother with them and they have harassed him. On the same day at about 11:18 p.m., I mailed the personal manager, namely Chandrasekhar Dikshit and Pramod Sharma, requesting not to harass my brother and take care of the problem by your company authorities. Then after I have sent legal notice through email and personally for supply of my work order, MB details and year-wise statement relating on the said project, but they have not supplied any information on those regards. My brother late Sanjay Dora have met the company personal manager, GM, namely Ravindra Singh Chauhan, AGM, Chandrasekhar Dikshit, etc., and gave them a copy of the emails and letters sent by me personally. But they did not respond and did not take any steps. Instead, they have only harassed my late brother, for which he returned back to our village, Chakrapur. As the company personnel have not cleared the dues and my brother has taken several loans on their behalf for the said project, after coming back to our village, my brother used to remain depressed. My mother and his wife used to console him. But on 22/8/21 at about 7 p.m., being highly harassed and depressed, my brother Sanjay
Yes.
Tora has lost
Yes,
his
yes, I
mental.
got it. What is this? It's completely a business transaction and brother is the person he deputed mental harass, then you don't work, you stay home only.
That is why
You
we
can't
have
take the pressure. You take an extreme step. How will you, sudden and immediate provocation? What was sudden and immediate provocation? What is requirement of 3?
My lords, the Supreme Court says they have
Now what
discussed.
statute says, let us see.
Yes, sir.
306. What are the ingredients? This is purely,
And after
if
8
any
months,
person commits suicide, whoever abates the commission of such suicide, asking for the dues in a commercial transaction is not abatement suicide. Shall be permissible. Where is the abatement?
It is to be proved. It is very difficult. Abatement in such
But
type of
where,
cases.
how, what is in the on, if you take it as it is,
Yes.
where is the abatement?
That is why we have already filed the charge sheet as mistake of fact.
Where is the abatement? What is it?
And
Issue
the opposite
notice.
party is Mr. Sahu is appearing. He already
notice is already issued.
already
my
and
lords.
stay is there.
Stay, I will state.
Yes, sir.
Stay is also
Stay is
operating.
there, but Mr.
It has to
Sahu-
be
What is
finally
the-
heard.
How will you substantiate this?
Yes.
Any of the demand.
This is, you
5,
can't
6 times you have
sustain,
taken
this,
time.
protest petition.
टाणी घोसारी के आनले भी होनी
टाणी गोसारी के आणले भी होऊन जाईल.
कोण दादरा असं कोण तिथे
Dalmit
Because this is
Bhandari
just a-
case raise, the Supreme Court says,
My facts are so clear, we did not go into
without
judgment
a
also.
positive act, more positive act, and they're the employees of the company. I'll say that
And I can understand if he himself, he on behalf of his brother, he was doing all these things. If if money is due, they will ask whatever. Suicide kariya kiye koi lag.
It many
that to my lords.
Emotionally be torture nahi.
emotional torture भी
If I owe money, somebody will, I owe money, hit the last. For lawyer's life, there are a lot of pressure.
No,
Every lawyer will commit suicide. I'll quash it.
I'll take them next week, madam. My senior will help me in this question.
Yeah, as your lordship pleases, my lords. That's your lordship.
Mr.
You
Sahu,
tell your senior that this is a case to be quashed, and accordingly he should prepare himself in the sense he should get some judgment if in support of his case or whatever. You also tried.
Right.
Simply I will adjourn.
My lord, as a last chance,
As a last chance. Huh?
can I chat for a time maybe? As a last.
See, the interim order is in favor. Still he says last chance, means how positive he is about his case. Just think over. Last chance. Then let it be 19th. 19th as a last chance. No further adjournment will be granted. Interim order to continue. Okay.
Interim order maker.
Interim order to continue.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Yes. Any mention?
I may be pardon, madam. वो item 6 में High Court Mediation Center में जा matter. The matter has been referred.
I've already referred.
Yes,
No?
sir.
High Court
I
mediation.
would like to just confirm that.
No, High Court mediation. High Court.
Mediation.
Is any mention?
Item 17 ratified for the course of the day. Because tomorrow is fixed for.
By evening we will do it.
ICT.
You filed the affidavit has not been filed. Yes, Madam, you have settled the dispute?
Yes, yes, your lordship.
You don't want to proceed with this matter?
No, your lordship.
Okay.
She's
appearing.
matrimonial matters. Both the husband and wife are present in VC.
Sorry?
No, on the direction of the
Petition
court, she was made a party.
They have obtained the mutual divorce already. Huh?
Yes, yes. On the direction of
Perfect.
on the direction of the court.
Notice was issued. Notice was issued. By the order dated 16/1/2024. Notice was issued to the opposite party number 2. Full stop. The opposite party number 2, Soumya Priyadarshini, has appeared in this court through video conferencing mode, and she is represented by
A. Satpathy.
A. Satpathy, land counsel for the petition, land counsel, and files the Okalapur. On the query from the court, the opposite party number 2 submits that she has settled the dispute with the petitioner, and pursuant thereof, they have moved an application for grant of mutual divorce under section 13B of HM Act. Pursuant to that, by the order dated 13/10/2023, the learned family court Bhubaneswar has dissolved the marriage by its judgment dated 13/10/2023, has dissolved the marriage between the petitioner and opposite party number 2, opposite party number 2 by mutual consent. Mutual consent. Any alimony and all? Nothing.
It's on settled, your lordship.
Settled.
Yes.
And the opposite party number 2 further submits that insofar as alimony is concerned, it has already been settled and she is satisfied with that. Hence, she doesn't want to proceed with the matter. Mr. Maharaj appeared for the state and submits that the dispute is essentially arising out of a matrimonial discord, and since the parties have settled their dispute and decided to part away, there is no legal impediment in quashing the present FIR. Taking into the consideration the aforementioned facts and substance, that paragraph also, right? Both of them are appearing in the court, appeared in the court through BC. They are represented by their respective counsel. They have filed their Aadhaar card, photo set self-attested Aadhaar card, which is taken on record. The petitioner, the opposite party number 2, has also filed an affidavit dated 4/2/2024, reiterating her stand, taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and circumstances, and statement made in the at the bar, the FIR number so and so, and consequential proceeding arising therefrom or quashed.
Mohila PS case number 58 dated.
I'll take it out from the record.
And
consequential proceeding.
And CT case number 613 of 20.
There.
So may I pray, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, to protect the privacy, since both are young lawyers, this minute you lords may direct the office not to upload the order.
It will be uploaded.
I'll get the certificate copy. My lord.
Yes, yes, it will be uploaded.
Not to upload. Because they have requested me for the private, because young lawyers, my lord, not to upload.
Don't upload it. Don't upload. How do they make it?
Much obliged.
If they have a privacy issue, why should?
Much obliged.
Counsel, Mr. Naik, Land Senior Counsel, request that to maintain the parties to this proceeding, has requested him to pray before this court not to upload the order in order to maintain their privacy.
Yes.
Therefore,
both the parties are lawyers.
The present order may not be uploaded in the website.
Deep obliged.
Both of them are lawyers.
Yes.
Okay.
Great.
No, we will not upload. And all the best for your next future.
So
As a
great.
lawyer.
So great.
Do well. Okay. Thank you.
My lord, it is a matter of, it's a matter relates to quashing of the criminal proceeding, my lords. All the offences are compoundable in nature under
Go.
section 320.
Go and move application 320.
No, no, my lords, all are compoundable in nature.
So therefore, go and file 294.
Already compromise, already.
294 not compatible. 294 is there. That is there.
294, 323, 324, 427, 506, my lord.
Who are these? Here? Let us see. Vishnu Trana.
Yes, ma'am.
Ratha. Okay. Sushil Kumar Ratha.
Yeah.
Ranjan Kumar Ratha.
My lord, Ranjan Kumar Ratha is in Goa. He's working in a pharmaceutical company, and he's also he's also in VC, my lord.
He's there.
Yes, my lord. I just
check it up. And Padmanabha Dwivedi.
Padmana here the informant and the son.
Opposite party number 2. At the instance of opposite party number 2, the FIR number so and so was registered under section so and so registered. After charge sheet, after the investigation, charge sheet has been filed, and by the order dated 29/4/2021, the related court SDGM, which SDGM?
Jajpur, my lords.
SDGM Jajpur has has taken cognizance of the offences in city case number 525 of 2020. The petitioners are seeking quashing of the cognizance order and consequential criminal prosecution launched against him at the instance of opposite party number 2. The petitioners are present in the court. Petitioners and the opposite party number 2 are present in the court. Have they filed affidavit?
No, my lord. Yesterday I have given the affidavit. The matter has already been
Opposite
settled.
party number 2 has filed an affidavit dated 3/2/2024 inter alia stating that he has settled the dispute with the petitioner and doesn't want to proceed with the matter. Mr. You are appearing in?
For opposite party number 2 and 3.
The parties are present, they represented through their respective counsel, filed the same paragraph. So Mr. Maharaj appearing for the state submits that the offences for which the petitioners are being put to trial, the offences for which the trial court has taken cognizance against the petitioners are minor in nature, and most of them are compoundable offences, except 294 IPC. And since the parties have settled their dispute,
And they all are co-villagers.
no fruitful purpose would be served if the proceeding is further
Continue.
proceeding is continue. Therefore, there is no legal impediment in quashing the FIR in subject. Taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and circumstances and submission at the bar. So. Order dated 29/4/2021 passed by SDGM Jajpur in CT case number 525 of 2021 is set aside. Cognizance order is set aside.
And
Set aside.
proceeding that.
And accordingly, the criminal prosecution launched against the petitioners are dropped, subject to the petitioners paying.
Therefore, when your lords, we can see.
How many of you are? Pay something. 3 of you, na?
Three. They are all poor men.
Petitioner,
My co-villager, unfortunately.
1000.
Much obliged.
तीन जोड़ा तीन टा परा
Three.
Ranjan Kumar Ratho.
My lord. He's sir.
present.
Except petition number 3.
He's serving at
But
Goa.
except number 3. However, the opposite, however, the counsel for the petitioner submits that he is
Has extended his contract.
he is appearing in the VC. VC due to technical problem. He could not join. Both the things he's taken here.
That 1,000 where is to be deposited. Bar. High Court Bar Association.
High Court Bar.
Much obliged.
My lord, urgent certified copy, my lord.
What urgent? Who is
Okay.
what will you do urgent now? Opposite party, the prosecutor is there, opposite party is there, what urgent? Give little more than I'll do.
My lord. Much obliged.
Yes. Yes.
The petitioner number 1 and 2 and the opposite part number 2 present before your lordship.
Present. Come on. What is the offense?
My lord, 457 380, my lord.
Ki so bhai? Subhash Chandra Das.
Subra Narayan Das.
Subra Narayan, sorry.
My lord.
Subra Narayan Das, sorry. Sushanta Jena. Vijay Parida. At the instance of opposite party number 2. FIR number so and so. Basic. Registered against the petitioners. The opposite party number 2 has entered into a settlement with the petitioner at the instance of the well-wishers. Therefore, the petitioners are seeking indulgence of this court under inherent jurisdiction, under inherent jurisdiction, inherent jurisdiction under the 480 for the opposite party number 2, the parties are present in person and they are represented by their respective counsel. They have filed the self-attested copy of the Aadhaar card which is taken on record. Their identities are established. They are being identified by the respective counsel. ठीक है. Mr. Rogada appears for the state and submits that the opposite the parties have filed a joint affidavit dated 2/2/24. 2/2/24. In the joint affidavit, the parties have reiterated their stand, stating inter alia that they have settled their interest dispute at the instance of the well-wishers and relations. Well-wishers and relations. Therefore, jointly they request for quashing of the present proceeding, quashing of the criminal proceeding, taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and submission at God. Legal impediment. There is no legal impediment. What is that to be called?
My lord, Annex 2 23/10
The cognizance order dated 23/10/2020, passed in GR case number 1039 of 2019, arising out of Lalbagh PS case number 104 of 2019, is set aside, and the criminal prosecution lodged against the petitioners at the instance of opposite party number 2 in the present case is dropped. Subject to the petitioners paying 1,000. 500 each.
Total 500.
Why total 500? These people are well up. How? Pay
ठीक ଅଛି 500
ଜଣଙ୍କ accident ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
चलो यार दे दो 500.
Oblast man.
Yes.
19 May legal. Belgium matter, my lord.
Yes, when you are in bail.
My lord, bail in 2015
2000
jumped into 23, my
No,
lord.
no, 15 date, you have date.
My lord, date.
Give.
28 to 15 bail, 3/7/23 bail jump.
3/7?
23.
500. चलो ठीक है.
My lord.
Item 50. 50. Urgent. 65.
Item 65, my lords.
Item 65, my lord, I am appearing for the private opposite party. That's it. I pray some order.
56 for Ilanto.
Take it under court. Please, and want to file reply.
Reply? No, I will take instruction.
The letter counsel for the opposite party entered appearance and files Wakatnama and seeks time. Seeks adjournment to address his court. The matter is urgent to.
1 week after my.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
To accept.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Give it.
66.
Yes.
66, my lord, on behalf of Mr. H.N. Mahapatra. Last occasion, directed Honorable Court filing a consolidated petition. And we have already filed a consolidated petition. We kindly pray for one adjournment, my lord.
Last
There
order,
is no meaning of
last order, just read. Last and final opportunity.
Yes.
Today's my senior is not available here.
Whatever last and final opportunity, what to do?
Taken up,
I can't disregard my own court order.
my lord, taken up tomorrow kindly.
Nothing.
Wow.
Simple lordship, they are challenging the order of cognizance. Now charge in frame. Trial was commenced, but somehow rather because of the interim order, the trial has been stalled. Now they are asking for.
What was the order?
They are challenging the order of taking cognizance.
Charge has been framed.
Yes. Purely misconceived application.
Charge is framed, you file revision.
There is no meaning of maintaining this application. Somehow rather they are enjoining stay order as in that.
Right.
So I pray.
My lord, only
By way of
kindly
the present petition.
taken up
By way of-
tomorrow, my lord.
1 minute. By way of the present petition.
My senior is not available tomorrow.
1 minute,
Oh, no.
I'll take care of you. You are
My
of
lord.
interest, not that if the senior will come, the law will not change.
Right.
Law is there. By way of the present petition, the petitioners have challenged the cognizance, the order of cognizance dated 3/12/2019, passed by page 6. Page 6. So the coordinated bench of this court, by the order dated, take a break. Where is the order of stay?
27/6/2023.
Where is the order of stay? Which is the order of stay?
Order of
Stay.
stay 27th June lordship. Interim order was passed on that day. 27th June 2023.
The coordinated bench of this court, by the order dated 27/6/2023, has been pleased to stay the further proceedings. Further proceeding in GR case number 177 of 29, corresponding to the order last order. Thereafter, the matter was taken up on 16/8/2023, 28/2023, 5/9/2023, and lastly on 29/1/2024. On the last date of hearing, when the matter was taken up, it was made clear that no further adjournment will be given. Despite that, the the counsel appearing for the petitioner seeks further time on the ground that his leader is not available today. Next, the counsel for the petitioner submits that after the cognizance order, the trial court has already framed the charge against the petitioner and the matter charge against the petitioner. Stay order पूर्व ना करो.
पूर्व रहेगा. 22/6/2023 order.
Charge was already charge has already been framed against the petitioner.
Yes.
The said fact was not brought to the notice of the court at the time of grant of the interim order. Since the charge has already been framed, the remedy available to the petitioner is to file a revision challenging the said order. Order dated
22nd June 2023.
Said order dated 22nd June,
June
2023. 23. Taking into consideration the aforementioned facts, I am of the considered view that the present matter is should be disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the remedy of revision. Remedy of the revision, assailing the
Order dated
order dated
22nd
June 2023, whereby the trial court has framed the charge if advised so.
If
advised so.
Not so.
If advised so. With taking into initial advice, so the matter is disposed of with the aforementioned observation. However, the interim order
In fact, Lordship, by this one, interim order 27/6.
The interim order, what I intend is interim order, let the interim order continue till they file the revision.
No, that will be a blanket order, because the fact is that let me submit. The fact is that before they approached this court, charge was framed.
You didn't inform me.
No, because there is no occasion.
No,
for us.
they have not
They
informed
didn't.
the
They
court.
didn't. Thereafter, what happened? Another court somehow granted stay order into stay. Thereafter, we brought the certified copy of this lower court order. There we found that before filing of this application, the charge was framed and summons were issued to the witnesses. And during pendency of the present CLM application, 3 witnesses were also been examined. But after getting the interim order copy by the Grand Court below, that trial was stalled till date. This is what the scenario.
Obviously.
This scenario. Now
you are seeking adjournment.
Lordship.
It's unfair.
And this case was duly targeted by this honorable court in CLMC number 1313 of 2023. Lordship. I'm passing the order. So there is no meaning of it. It's targeted. That's why. If you go by the bench also, there is no case by
it is also brought to the notice of this court that while order dated 1/5/2023 in criminal NC case number 1313 of 2023, the coordinate bench has also directed the court below to expedite the trial. Right? Where is it? Preferably expedited to be decided within the period of 6 months. Because of the operation of the interim order in the present case, the trial is stalled, as a result of which the order dated 1/5/2023 passed by the coordinate bench in CRLMC number 1313 of 2023 could not be complied with. In view of the aforementioned facts and circumstances of the case, the present petition is disposed of.
Grateful, Lordship.
You file a revision and ask for interim order.
If so,
interim order straight knowledge से तो अब यदि
there is no merit at all.
Target करायची गोटे कोर्ट करची target. Interim order, you have enjoyed interim order, it's all right. You should have argued 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time I made it very clear. No further adjournment. Still you are asking for adjournment. There should be some limit to.
सारा जो नौकरी वाला.
ठीक अच्छी. You say that you have argued. I will add something. What is your full name? You tell me.
Ramesh Sethi, my lord.
Mr. Ramesh Sethi, appearing for the petitioner, has vehemently argued the matter on merits and took me to different documents filed in this proceeding to persuade this court that the no prima facie case indeed is made out against the petitioner. Therefore, the cognizance order is bad in law. However, However, the fact that the charge has already been framed before the matter was filed, since was not brought to the notice of the court, perhaps that is the reason the court was persuaded to issue the interim direction.
Grateful, Lord.
Protected you also.
Let me say that I have also argued on the contrary because
You didn't argue, I would say.
So I mean,
You got the relief way.
just for the sake.
Your presence itself is argument. Everybody knows.
Grateful, Lord. Thank you.
ସିଏ ତ ଗଲେ ଗାଳି ଖାଇବ
Yeah.